I'm sorry.
Drop them!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You have the guts to wear my dress and even you wear my hair. Do you know what? What is this? This is 40 bullshit. 1 million. Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Shut up! Shut up!
I died!
You fool!
I died!
You should die already! Die! Can you imagine?
I died! I died!
You wore my dress! How dare you! It's your guts for me! You are so stupid! You are crazy! You stink! Stupid thing! Look at this fool! Man! Man!
I died!
Come on, burn this thing! Burn them!
I died!
Hello, Sam.
Your Majesties, you sent for me.
Yes. Please sit down.
Thank you.
So, the future of Saloa Kingdom rests on your shoulders. And getting ready is the key.
Son, you know your father is right. You have been engaged for 6 months now to Noble Chief's daughter, that is Mildred. And you're not making any move to consolidate the union. I mean, taking it to the next level.
I understand your concerns, and marriage for me is serious business, and I would like to take my time.
Son, I would like you to know that to decide for your marriage is only for the commoners. As a prince, you are bound by tradition. And as a king and your father, I preside over your marriage. The time is near, so you must be prepared.
Son, it's not a matter of convenience, but responsibility.
They finally had that talk with me yesterday.
Oh, I'm glad they finally had it off their chest. I mean, they've been hoping that you make a move, but instead you got someone's daughter engaged and you don't look like you want to marry her.
Whose side are you on? Don't forget, you are an heir like me and is expected to get married too.
I agree, but unlike you, I did not agree to a loveless marriage alliance with no intention of being married. Listen, that girl probably had a lot of suitors coming for her in marriage, but she stuck with you, who has no intention of being married. You've been engaged to this girl for 6 months. Come on.
Mildred is a very beautiful girl. I like her very much, and I'm sure I will grow to love her. From where I stand, that is a good thing. But I want to go on an adventure. I want to see places I believe never existed. Because marriage is going to cut off my adventure wings.
You see, I think you've forgotten that our fate is decided by the gods, and our choices decided by the king, and our desires decided by the people we rule. Can't you see that from the moment we were born, we're not allowed to like or want things that are not in accordance with the people we represent?
I'll take my chances. I need to go on an adventure. I know Mildred will understand because doing what I want, when I want, makes me a happy husband. So, cheers to my new adventure.
Go to my bedroom and get me that fashion medicine.
All right, Your Majesty.
Quick. Here comes my precious son, the prince of Tabucha Kingdom. The bravest and the finest.
Her Majesty the Queen, your praises flatter me. Thank you. I have come to speak with both of you.
Go on, speak
Right.
freely, son.
I have thought long and hard about our last discussion, and I have decided to get married.
Wonderful.
Oh, this is great news.
Good news.
If the king will permit me to go on one last adventure before this marriage.
Adventure. The type you sometimes disguise as a commoner, visit strange places, taking pictures and all that.
As common as it may sound, doing that gives me great joy and satisfaction. And I'll be grateful if you will permit me to derive on one last joy and satisfaction. Then I will close the doors to my adventurous spirit, for I know that getting married will tie me down and keep me focused on family.
Son, what you're asking for is quite difficult. Last time you went on this bashful adventure, you returned after 3 months. So how long do you intend to stay?
Not for long. Believe me, not for long.
No, like specifically, like how long?
Mother, I do recognize and accept that I have duties to perform to the king and the people.
On one condition, that you go with your guards and you must be purely on princely status. No disguise.
As the king pleases. Your Majesties, your wishes. Thank you.
So can I have it?
Your Majesty, I am sorry I couldn't find the magazine.
You're so stupid. Because I specifically said go to the bedside drawer. Your small head didn't tell you to go to the wardrobe to check if, since you didn't find it there. Get out, go to the wardrobe. Not exactly where she wants to find it. Small head didn't tell her to check the wardrobe.
I told you I want my chicken grilled. Why did you fry it?
I am sorry, Your Highness. The last time I grilled the chicken, you said it wasn't nice, so I have to fry
Will
it.
you shut up? Shut your trash. Don't give me the boss to speak when I'm speaking. Are you mad? Get out! Shush, get out. So what? Famous fools. Idiots. Useless. Crazy things. Animals. Commoners. Useless things. Mad people. Your Highness.
I see that my princess is difficult to please. Will I be able to satisfy her needs?
Your Highness? Why would you speak like that? You are the future king. You can want and get anything and everything you so desire.
You know, it excites me to know that you consider me privileged. I see you're enjoying royalty, bossing the maids and guards around, making them jump and lose control at the sound of your voice.
Your Highness, I'm just the daughter of a noble chief. The benevolence of the king and queen gave me the privilege to be respected in royalty.
We should do this more often. When was the last time we had a chat like this? We should do this often. After all, we are to be man and wife soon.
Of course, Your Highness. I shall make myself available to please Your Highness.
And don't you find it pleasing that I want to spend enough time with you?
Your Highness, my wants and needs are inconsequential as long as my prince is concerned.
You know, I am very impressed with your response. You will make a fine queen one day.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Of course. Mildred? Your Majesty?
Yes.
Greetings. Please, can I join you?
Sure, sit. What troubles you, my child?
Your Majesty?
Yes?
I'm becoming a laughing stock in this kingdom. I've been engaged to the prince for the past 6 months. Yet, there are no talks of marriage.
Mildred, I'm not a man. Incidentally, I'm not a man. I'm a woman. You are a woman. You know, there are ways men act. Their behavior is one kind.
Your Majesty, I have those questions on my mind. Please permit me to ask.
Go ahead.
The prince, does he not love me? Does he have someone he's in love with that he can't talk about his affection?
Mildred, I understand your concerns. I know my son. But this one you're thinking about is not the case here. My son has agreed to get married. And he will do that after this one last adventure.
Your Majesty, how long will this adventure be?
Wow. Patience. Faith. Mildred. Trust. I understand my son has a duty to his father and to the people of this kingdom, which he can afford to keep everyone waiting, including you. So he'll get married to you.
Oh, Mildred.
Your Highness?
You're here. I hope there's no problem.
Not at all, Your Highness. I just want to speak with you.
Sure. Go ahead. Speak freely.
Your Highness, Are you shying away from marrying me? Or don't you love me?
I see you have heard about my adventure. I like you very much. If I didn't, I would have asked for another alliance.
Okay, so why are you not eager to get married to me?
Because after marriage, my life will be about ruling this kingdom and I'll not be able to do what I love to do.
Your Highness, your fate is sealed. And as a prince, what you like or what you want is not an option.
I'm aware of that. And that is why I call it last adventure. Look, once I get back, we will get married and you will rule beside me.
Your Highness, that is so satisfying to hear. Right? And even at that, I don't have the power to stop you. You are the prince.
No. Don't say it like that. Your understanding matters to me as my fiancé.
Right. But please, do not be long. And come back to me as soon as possible.
I will.
You mean the king approved of this adventure? How did you do it?
I made a promise to get married as soon as I get back. But the thing is, they want me to move in a princely state. And that is going to ruin the fun.
Yeah, of course. It will ruin it. I mean, imagine you moving in a convoy of maids and guards. People will become suspicious of you. Did you agree to that?
I had to. What would you have me do? It is considered a grave sin if you disobey the king.
Yeah, you will definitely be punished. I mean, disobeying the king and the supreme ruler.
Yeah.
But I think it's a forgivable sin for a son to disobey the father. What do you think?
You know, I have always known you as bad influence, but the king and queen refuse to see it. All they do is go about singing praises of how great of a son you are and a prince.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that. I'll let it slide. Because I know it is not you, but the jealousy in you speaking.
Really?
Yeah.
Me, jealous of you?
As you can see.
No, I'm not. Let me show you that thing I was telling you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See that?
Okay.
That's what I was talking about.
Have you heard that the prince is planning a trip out of this kingdom?
Just when we think that he's going to be marrying the princess consort. I mean, this engagement is becoming the longest.
See, I'm not sure the prince even like her. Like, I mean, who would love such a cruel and wicked person?
Shh! Bring your voice down. Someone might hear you. You're talking as if you don't know that the royal marriages has never been about love. Why then are you talking about love?
At least there should be likeness. Had even the prince likes her, he will not be looking for every opportunity to run away instead of marrying her.
I can see that you now make the business of the royal palace your personal business. That's jobless fools, right? You stupid twat! Speak so low of me! You tell such grave lies against me, right? I see you. Chief maid! Chief maid! My princess! You called me? Yes, I did. I want to ask you, please. What are you teaching this dirty pigs, this twat? What? This low-life smelling maggot have the temerity to talk so low about me. And they tell such crazy lies of me. Right. I see that you are less busy, right? You are jobless. I will give you a good job to work on. Chief maid, You must punish this sword. These vagabonds, these loose mouths. You must punish them until their hairs turns grey. So next time, you will learn how to curb your tongues. Fools! Dirty smelling pigs! Stupid, stupid! Vagabonds! Dirty fools! You guys are fools! Come, get out! Come, get out there!
A kingdom blessed with riches.
What is wrong with you? Why did you look like this?
Everyone is so mean. Everyone. Even the maids. They are so mean.
What happened?
Everyone thinks that your planned adventure is a means to escape our marriage. That you do not love me? Hence, you can't even stand me. So you're running away from me.
I cannot believe you allowed yourself to be moved by side talks. All this might have been an arranged partnership. Me embarking on this adventure does not mean I'm avoiding you. You can come with me if you want.
No. No, Your Highness. Thank you. But I'm not open to traveling. Though I appreciate your kind gestures and your reassurances. Thank you. And I'm sorry for bothering you with my tears. Your Highness.
I know my delay has affected you, but I promise you, I will not keep you waiting for too long. Cheer up.
Kingdom blessed with riches, blessed in wealth. Chulucha.
I am going to ask you for the last time. Where is my son?
Sorry, Your Majesty. We lost track of the prince.
Your Majesty, what nonsense is this idiot talking about? You lost track of somebody you're supposed to protect? Are you mad?
No, Your Majesty. He might have left the palace in disguise to escape us. I'm sorry.
He knew that he was going to disobey me, and he agreed to my conditions.
Your Majesty, our son going out there all by himself without protection or escort. Is that okay?
Leave my sight! Everyone!
Get out of this idiot's head! Look at this one that cannot even carry her useless body. What do we do? This does not make sense at all. This does not make sense.
Yes, I wanted to talk to you about the wedding dress, the jewelries, everything. I want to know whether you like them.
Your Majesty, I appreciate your benevolence. But if I must say, on a second thought, I feel that since the prince and I will be on the matching outfit, then I should wait for him to be back. So we sit back together and then choose the best for us.
Oh. You made a valid point. But you know, men don't actually care about what they wear on their wedding days. It is women's obsession. Women are obsessed about their clothing, about their accessories, especially the jewelries, the hair, everything. I know you're not excited about the wedding because your husband-to-be is away. But I can assure you, we are on top preparation for the wedding. Once he arrives, the wedding takes place. Thank you, Majesty. You're welcome. You're so kind. You're welcome. Enjoy your drink. The prince is our only child. He's out there. I mean, somewhere very far away. With no guard, no assistance. Honestly, I am so worried about him.
The prince will be fine. This is not the first time he's going out on an adventure without his guards. Okay? He's an adult.
Your Majesty, I can't explain it. I just want him to come back. I wish he could come back today. Any word from him? Did he tell you when he's coming back?
Not a word yet. He assured us that he's going to come back soon. We can only pray for his well-being and safe return. What do you need?
My son, I want my child.
You need your favorite. Get her favorite. So how is my good friend, your father, King Ramon II of Mildred Kingdom?
My father, the king, is doing fine, Your Majesty. And he sends his warm regards.
Oh, I see. That's so nice.
And we received it in good faith. So, Ramon, did you hear from your best friend?
Oh, Your Majesty, apart from coming here to say my greetings, Prince Mike contacted me and asked me to tell His Majesty that he's doing fine where he is.
Fine.
But did he tell you when he's coming back?
No, Your Majesty. He didn't make mention of that. But he said he's doing fine and had found happiness on the land he discovered.
See?
It's a relief.
Ramon, when next he contacts you, tell him his mother is sad and worried. Tell him he should be careful and he should stay out of problem out there.
I will do that, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, permit me to take my leave now as I have an important appointment in the neighboring kingdom.
Come on, Ramon. I've asked the maid to bring your drink and everything.
Your Majesty, I appreciate, but maybe next time.
It's okay.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's just a good finish. I told you not to worry. Our son is fine.
Let me see.
Sure, I know.
Kingdom blessed with riches.
please share with us the experience of the adventure?
Not as I expected, Father, but I am back now to fulfill my duties as the prince of this kingdom.
I am pleased to hear that. Honestly, glad to hear it. And I know Mildred will be happier to hear about this because she will believe that you have come to make things progress.
Why is nobody asking me who this is?
Because we're expecting our son to do the needful. The tradition is part of the culture.
True. Okay, this is Saloa. I brought her to be one of the maids of this palace.
Maids?
Yes.
No, we don't need any more maids. We have enough already that are attending to us.
I am aware, Mother, but where I stayed, her mother gave me a roof over my head. And the only one thing she begged of me was to bring her to civilization so she can make some money and send home. I couldn't say no.
So you want this one to be maid here?
Yes, Mom.
In that case, I will talk to the chief maid to get her settled and put her through the duties she will need to be the maid you're talking about.
Thank you, Your Majesties. I will never forget your benevolence.
Oh, we're glad to have you in one piece.
Thank you.
Your Majesty?
Blessed with the prince, as bold as a lion. Chulucha, Chulucha, Chulucha.
I human? I human or statue? I human beings? Spirits? I does not shake at all. I start. I check. Woman or statue? Woman? What do you think you are doing? What are you doing? Ta 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 ta. I surprises. So I human. Of course we are. I does not talk to me. I ask. Yes. Now is needless. You talk. I ask. You stay. Explaining them who are you to instruct them to me. So these are not statue. Are human too? I test again. It's okay. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Come here. Drop it down. I said come here. I checked a human or a statue. Listen to me. From this moment, this is what you are expected to wear. The maiden beside you will take you around and show you where you'll be sleeping and things you are expected to do in this palace. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? I hear it. Now let's go. Drop this. Come. Drop it. I want to test this. Drop it. Don't. Drop. Follow me. Let's go.
Okay, I have to check with the king and get back to you. I haven't told you yet.
A kingdom blessed with riches.
Yeah, we're still saying the same thing.
Blessed in wealth.
Okay, I'll let you know. Thank you. What is funny?
Touches.
What touches? Why are you touching me?
It touches you.
Now you listen to me. in your pathetic life. Don't ever come close to me again.
Why you shout? You does not know my hand. It is softness.
I said, do not come close to me again. You didn't hear me?
But you are the only person I knows in these places. How can I does not come close to you?
Was it my decision to bring you here? You should thank your stars I am not heartless. If not, I would have dumped you in the bush.
It was play I plays. I did not fight it.
Do I look like your playmate? Don't ever come close to me. The next time you touch me, I will send you out of this palace. Nonsense.
I does not do anything wrong, bro. I does not do anything wrong. I talks today, I cooks. I cooks, you chops. King's chops, majestic chops, anti-fine wickedness chops, everybody chops. I cooks today.
Who is this one? Come on, just because the prince brought you here doesn't make you an important person. Drop that pot, oh. Drop the tomato. I don't know which one I cook. She is such a bush girl. Just look at her. I wonder the interior bush the prince went to take pictures this time and then return with this thing.
What I do? No, what I do? See, this place, you insult me, I does not take. I give you respect, you give me respect. I respect you, you insult me, I kiss. I kiss.
Hey, did this bush girl just threaten us? So I told you. She's wearing a maid uniform like us, yet she feels like a noble because she came with the prince. Should we teach her a lesson?
What I thought? Okay, lesson me. No, lesson me.
What's wrong with this?
Lesson me. Hey, does not chop mouth. I come to tell you food is ready. I see you chop yourself.
Are you mad? How dare you? Is something wrong with you?
Baby, just ignore her. She thinks kissing means feeding from each other's mouth.
Your Highness, I would not ignore her. She's a fool to come in here like that. Is this your room? Father's ready. Is this a dining room?
I come to information that food ready.
Who sent you here? Don't you have courtesy? Weren't you trained? Are you mad?
Baby. She's not accustomed to our way of living. Okay, just leave her.
Your Highness, she must be punished. Yes.
Really?
Yes. She has to know her place here. This is not the forest. Go on your knees. Kneel down! Raise your hands. Close your eyes. And be there till I say otherwise. Fool.
Babe, we were in the middle of something. You wanted to be here?
Baby, her eyes are closed.
She's looking at us. You say her eyes are closed. She just closed it.
I will pluck at your eyes, you fool. Come on, honey. Come on. Look at me.
Chopping.
You see what I'm saying? Huh?
Get out.
I go.
Get out!
Okay, I go.
Get out!
The chopping is gone.
Hey! What are you doing here?
I shine your room. Big madam say I shine your room.
Martina!
I does not look for you. Room I shine.
Martina!
My prince.
What is she doing here?
Oh, sorry. I assigned her to be your personal maid.
Assign her to do what? Reassign this girl. I don't want her to touch anything that has to do with me. Do you understand? You can reassign her to the dogs. Now take her out.
I'm sorry. I will reassign her immediately. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go.
I stop shining.
Stop
Get
shining.
out, get out.
Let's go.
I go.
Oh yeah. Please, sorry.
What end I go?
What is she even looking for?
Sulusa, how come the prince gets so angry whenever he sees you? Eh?
Who wouldn't get angry at the sight of her? She is so local and uncultured.
You are not allowing her to answer the question. Maybe there's a reason the prince hates the maid he brought to the palace. What did you do?
Or did you try to seduce him? The prince has not made a glance at us. For once, even when he's at the liberty to have the maidens for his pleasure. And you think he will consider it trash like you? Or did you make romantic moves on him?
Una, yet again you are not allowing her to answer the question. What did you do?
So, if I hear the question you question me, you ask why Prince hates. I does not know. Now you know Prince hates. So ask Prince why hates and tell me why Prince hates. Now I walk.
See this one. Please go that side though.
Chief maid, relax. We have gone beyond that. Come on. I want us to talk. I want us to talk about those small things that are too small for the queen to notice. Those minute things. I want us to talk about them.
Okay. She's unusual, Your Majesty. The prince has been very angry with her. He doesn't want her to show up.
No, tell me, what's unusual? Besides the unexpected maid my son came back with.
The prince do not want to see her anymore. You know the prince is powerful and no one can compel him to do what he does not want to do. I am wondering why he should go and bring somebody to the palace and do not want to see her anymore.
Wait, what are you talking about? How can he hate somebody he begged the king and I to receive? How?
It surprises me too. That's just it.
Maybe she did something terrible to him that made him hate her that much. See, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to put your eyes on the ground. I know that girl is on a mission. I want to know what that mission is.
I will just do as you commanded. Don't fail. No problem.
Don't fail.
No problem.
Go back to your duties. I'll see you.
Thank you. Careful.
Ayo. Your Majesty, what was she doing? What kind of dance was she performing, trying to perform like that?
She's a worshipper of the sun and the moon. She's a strange being that I am curious, but I'm here to know about her and that of her people.
Your Majesty, I am not only concerned, but curious, like you rightly said. Our son hates her. He cannot stand the sight of the same girl he brought to the palace. What's the reason for the hatred?
Well, there's something we do not know yet, but time shall tell.
Or don't you think we should ask him why he hates someone he cannot stand the same person he brought to the palace? But still, she might have done something wrong to him. That's the reason for the hatred.
Well, I've always maintained that our son has some explanations to make. Maybe you ask him.
That girl is weird.
She is.
The way she walks.
Some epic.
Well, that's rags she's putting on.
Greetings, King. Greetings, friend.
She's improving. Stand up.
Thanks. Kings, queens, I bring color water, sweet color water, or I bring tea. What you want?
We don't want anything from you. We are just curious. We saw you worshipping the moon last night.
Ah, my God. I worship my God. Moon, my place, we worship. Yes, my place very beautiful. My place, moon, me, like this. Prince, no.
My son knows.
What's your spiritual connection in the worship of the moon?
I connect moon. Me connect moon. Everybody, my village kingdom connect moon. Moon, our God. We pray moon, moon bring blessing. We pray moon, sick go. We pray moon, money come. We pray moon, we go, we bring something farm, and it's good. I tell you story. One man, my village, they born here, does not have teeth. Man cannot chop corn. Man cannot chop meat. Man cannot chop yam. One day, full moon come. Man come. Man pray moon. Man pray moon. Sukun tankwa tankwa sukun tankwa. Man pray moon. Moon answer man. Man have teeth. Man happy. Now man chop yam. Man chop corn. Man chop.
It's okay.
What is wrong with you?
What I do? You wants me not to come close to you. I goes. Now you touches me.
You keep using your actions to call my attention.
I does not understand though.
Is it difficult to live quietly? Why do you keep calling attention to yourself?
What does I do now? What does I do?
Well, the freak show you displayed last night has made the king and the queen ask questions about you and your people.
I does not know. I does not know, but I have to praise now. I have to praise to God of moon, God of purityness and perfectionist.
Now you listen to me. You stop that.
I stop praise?
Stop praying and live quietly in this palace. Okay? I don't want to see that again.
I does not know how I can stop. Oh. Sun come out, I does not pray. Moon come out, I does not pray. No, it is difficultness. Oh. Does not
no one sees what I see.
This is the first time you're returning from an adventure with no story to tell.
Why would I tell stories when the pictures I took is worth more than 1,000 words?
So the pictures are going to tell the stories now.
What are you insinuating?
I don't know what you think I mean with my question, but I was only wondering if there are beautiful maidens, walking around braless.
The man with a dirty mind. Well, if you care to know, I wasn't looking, so I don't have an answer to that.
It's all right. But you see, my waist still hurts. Although the physician prescribed some drugs, I've taken them, but it still hurts.
Why won't your waist hurt? Tell me. After you have finished all the innocent maidens in your palace, why won't it hurt?
So who's with the dirty mind now?
I'm only saying the truth. Am I not saying the truth?
Oh, the herbs. Thank you. I hope it helps.
Well,
it's not looking funny. I have to finish it.
Drunk.
It's bitter, huh?
My praise. It's so bitter. Oof. Really?
What is it?
The pain is gone.
It's gone?
I can can literally feel my waist.
Are you serious?
It's gone. You didn't tell me you have such a wonderful herb in your kingdom.
This is not from us. She made it herself.
Oh.
That thing that does you in your body, we call it man pain. Yes, it is worries you because you does not use your man something very well. Because if you use it to perform, you exercises the man performance. It does not happen again. But now your goodness, I go, sir.
Hey, come and take this. Come here. Come here. Come and take this away.
I go.
Is she in any way insinuating that my sexual inactivity is the reason for my waist pain?
But I know you're active, so...
I am not active.
You're active, the
not
maid is.
always. That reminds me, is she new? I've not seen her before.
Really?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here and why are you touching me?
I helps you. You complain body pains.
Did I ask for your help?
Lie, I continue.
If I shut up, did I ask you for your help? And how dare you lay your filthy hands on me?
Why you vex? It is helping, I help.
Why are you helping me? We have a royal masseuse that takes care of massages. I have told you time and time and again to live quietly in this palace. I don't want people asking unnecessary questions that will put you into trouble. Now get out of my room. My friend, get out of my room! Telling me I like it. I don't want to see you in this room again. You even lock... Get out. Lock the door.
You lay your hands on my prince. How dare you?
I does not seduce. I help Prince touch pain so that Prince well again.
As what? Touch which prince? Who sent you?
Body.
Shut up! Shut up, you disgust me already. Shut up! Who are you? Are you a doctor? Who sent you? Who asked you to even go close? What temerity? What guts? Are you mad? Oh, I see that you just came from the gutter to come do what here? I'm asking you a question.
I'm sorry, Auntie Wickedness, I'm sorry. Every time you hate, I'm sorry.
You are mad. I see that you came from that slump where you... That goddess you came from, you had the mind to come say you want to be a queen here, right? Or have a child for my prince. My prince!
No, I does not do that. Prince does not like me. If I born child, he does not like the child.
God forbid. You are God forbid here. Do you hear me? You have the guts to go close to my prince, my own property. How dare you? Are you mad or something? Are you mad?
I does not seduce, so I help. Prince back pain, I help. It does not seduce. It's not sweetness for body.
Who has to help? You are crazy for doing that.
Auntie Wickedness, stop.
I should stop. You are asking me to stop. You are speaking when I speak, right? Oh, now I see that you have wings now, right? All right, you are less busy, I'll make you busy. Do you hear me? Lie down, face the sun.
Here?
If I descend on you, lie down and face the sun now. Eh? If I slap your skull, lie down and face the sun, right? Open your eyes to the sun.
Sun shine my face.
That's what will kill you there. That sun will kill you and blind your eyes. Fool. Next, watch over her. After 30 minutes, burn her to that swimming pool side. Let her lie on that floor. Let that hot floor smoke her back very well. Do you understand me? Idiot. Fool.
you touch? You, madam. Miss Landbag.
Will you shut up? What? Shut up!
You will kill us, Mio. You will kill us.
Such disgusting idiot! Get up! You disgust me.
Mildred. It's been 5 hours. I'm sure she must have learned her lesson.
She'll be here till after sunset.
Come on, you're overdoing it. She's just an ignorant girl. Why are you making a big fuss out of her actions?
Your Highness, do you miss her massage? Do you wish she can touch you again? Do you know how disgusted I felt when I heard you were mourning stupidly because our hands were on your neck? That was disgusting and disrespectful.
I did not know she was the one massaging me. Immediately I realized I kicked her out. Now can you just let her go?
Really? Oh, really? Really ask again? Your Highness, she is my maid. My personal maid. Personal. You understand that word, right? You rejected her. And she was assigned to me as my personal maid. Please, I oblige you to kindly mind your business, Your Highness.
First of all, you don't talk to me like that. And secondly, I just want you to know that you are taking this too far.
Uncle does not left me here.
I will kick you out. Are you sick or something?
Auntie Wickedness, I said sorriness before.
I will strangle you. Shut up!
I shut up it already.
Must you talk? Ha!
I'm dying.
You should die already. I'll get your coffin. It's a pleasure to buy your coffin.
The ground is hotness. The ground is hotness.
Listen, wash all these clothes. Make sure they are all clean and well dried. Did I make myself clear?
I wash. Take me river. I wash clothes.
To do what?
I wash clothes. River, what I wash?
Wait, though. You know, don't you have sense? Nobody goes to the river to wash, especially from the royal home. And they're talking about river. We have a washing machine inside here. So go inside here and wash these clothes and stop talking about river.
Where do you think you are going?
River, wash clothes, water.
You don't need that. Finta! Finta! Wuna! Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she come. Oh yeah, take me river. River, we go.
Where do you think you are going? Calm down. Take her to the laundry room. Show her how she will make use of the electric machine to wash.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Follow her.
Sulusa, let's go.
River room.
Follow
Come with
her.
me. I go. So, river room.
Where did Prince bring this girl from? Stand. Why am I talking about an image?
Sulusa, this one you are happy. Did something good happen?
Yes. I cooked today. Today I cook for everybody. My place we cook well. Since I come, I does not cook. But today, I cooks.
Hope you know you cannot prepare anything that is outside the timetable. You are making soup and swallow.
I cook. Go. I cook finish, you come, you chops. Okay. I surprises you now. Comes. Does not come. Zulus. Put fire. Stubbornness fire.
The kingdom, Chulucha, blessed with the prince, as bold as a lion. Chulucha. A kingdom blessed with riches, blessed in wealth. Chulucha.
What are you doing? I cooks, but fire does not come. My place you call fire, fire come. This one I call fire, fire does not come. Maybe this one does not know my language. I brings this one now. I lose.
Can't you see there's a cooker? If you don't know how to use it, you call for assistance. Eh? Do you want to burn the house? In fact, the chief may need to see this. So this.
Today I cook. Madam,
what did I hear you are doing? So this is how you would have exploded the whole palace. Oh yeah?
I cooks.
I can see you are ready to burn everybody. Oh yeah, let's go. Go out from this place. Go! Wuna! Saba! Come and take this off! Come and take this off.
What do you call this? Ignorance that almost wiped off my family?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I never knew her big head is too empty. She knows nothing about civilized world.
Really? And she almost killed everybody. What were you thinking asking this idiot to go cook for everybody?
Please, I'm sorry. She talked about being a good cook. So I just decided to give her a chance.
A chance? That almost destroyed us. Don't ever give her any chance again. Don't entrust anything serious into this idiot's hand. Until she's properly trained and integrated into proper civilization. What is that?
Your Majesty, please, I'm sorry. I will do just as you commanded.
You two are dismissed. Go back to your duty post.
Come on, let's go.
And this one is nodding head as if she's an agama lizard.
Yes, sweet. My place, lizard chops.
No, shut up. Come, let's go.
See who you gave food to go and cook.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, please.
Look at who she gave. She would have put lizard for us to eat, sir. Possible.
So where is the blue maid? I can't find her. I've been looking around for her.
Why? Did your whispering start again?
Oh, not at all. I just want to hear her talking again because the last time she was so hilarious. I think there's something about her. Can we exchange maids? Like one of my maid in exchange for her.
Are you tired of your mates? Because I don't understand why you would want to exchange mates. Do you think they are toys to be exchanged just like that?
See, my prince, there's no way in this life I can consider a girl with such a gift as a plaything. No, I just think she's special and there's something about her.
You know what? I don't blame you. Because you don't have any sense of loyalty with your gender when the opposite gender is involved.
My man, I don't know why you're pissed off this much, but you see, it's love before friendship.
Really?
I'm only joking, man. Don't take things too serious. Come on. You know you're my brother and I love you. I have my eyes on. Come off it, man.
Oh my good God! What are you doing, you bush fool? What is this?
I cleansed the table very well.
Stop it! You just stop it! Stop it! Why is she? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Remove that thing from the... Where did he get this girl from? Mike! Michael! Michael, where did you get this animal from? Your Majesty, I only asked her to clean the table with a small rag. I do not know how this fool, I do not understand. A mop on the table? Like dining table where people eat? Are you mad?
Okay. Sorry. I cleansed.
Oh my God! Oh my! If you try that now, I'll kill you here. What is wrong with you? Huh? Take this animal out of my sight before I do something drastic to her. Take her away. Take her away. Your Majesty, she stinks. Get out. You heard her. Get out and go. Shut up and just get back to the forest or the bush where you came from. You bush animal. Are you daft or something? Are you crazy? Get out. You stink. Mike! Mike! Where did you get this piece from? Can you imagine such royal cheers? Maid! Maid! Maid!
Kings, queens, sorry about the table. Do not punishment me. Sorry.
I did not call you for that. The queen is in charge of domestic matters.
Okay, Majestic, what I do?
Yes, Prince Ramon told me that the pain on his leg is gone completely. Is that true?
Yes, medicine I give. You go. Pain see medicine, pain run. My place, you bring medicine, you give. The person take air. It come belly. It come belly, it shake belly. Heat come out, sickness run.
Oh my God. Oh, so that's how, so funny. So funny, but it's okay. What I'm thinking about
People
is...
sick. They go meet doctor. Doctor take money, sickness not go.
Yeah, I do.
Doctor every time take money. Doctor every time take money, sickness not go. Small medicine, sickness run.
Okay, it's funny. So right now, I want us to have a kind of agreement. I want you people to teach my kinsmen the process of this medicine. I've seen that you people have a lot of herbs and the way you go about it. So you could teach my community about it. You know, that's how I want it.
Majestic, that's hardest. That one, hardest.
It's not hardest. I don't know whether you understand what I mean. It's not for free. I will ensure that money is spared, big money. And then we'll learn how to cook these herbs. I will just give you time to think about it, but it's what I will do. I'll give you money, so you send message across to your people about it. Think about it, okay? Yeah?
Majestic, I think. Answer I cannot give now, I think.
Oh, that's no problem.
I go?
Hey, go.
Thank you, Majestic.
Oh.
Until she gives you poison.
Something about this
Everything
charm.
you see, you want to drink.
Something about this charm that is making me laugh.
What is wrong with you?
Scones.
Comes for what?
Troubles.
You have no right to sermon me.
I know someone. It's call I call.
You called me for what?
Problem days. Kings I call me, I say I go to my community for medicine.
What?
I take him. Yes.
No. This is what I've been afraid of. That is why I keep telling you to lay low. Now you see what you've caused?
He cannot fit to go. He cannot fit to go because if go, problem me and you.
You think I don't know that? You think I don't know that? What is wrong with you? Oh my God. Ramon is curious about you. Now the king. The next thing, the whole kingdom. What do you think will happen if they find out?
Now I'm fearing fear. Now you're fearing fear.
I keep telling you to lay low. No more doings.
I know why I calls you because my problem, your problem, my problem. I calls.
My problem is not your problem. Your problem is not my problem.
My problem, not your problem.
Not my problem.
Nothing for nothing.
Nothing for nothing.
I take king.
Come on, Samis.
I go.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? And you listen. You lay low. Live in this palace like you are not here. Can you do that?
So, but now king awaits answer tomorrow. What I do?
Don't worry about that. I will talk to you myself.
Now you talk. My problem, now your problem. You talks now.
Your problem, not my problem.
So, nothing for nothing.
Nothing for nothing.
My problem, not your problem.
Not my problem. Now you listen to me. Stop asking me to meet you in private. We are not in any kind of relationship. I don't like you, and that will never change. Yes.
Okay. You go?
I go.
I go.
No one sees what I see.
Sulusa! Sulu!
They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will make her.
Your Majesty. So, what's that? Son? Thank you.
You never told us that the place you went to on adventure is gifted with such herbal power.
Oh, yeah, I did not know until Ramon said so. But then he complained about side effects.
Side effects? No, he didn't. He's completely healed. What are you talking about?
Really?
Of course.
I thought he complained about side effects.
He never did. I am of the opinion we should find out. There are herb for conception so that Mildred can be prepared before marriage. Let us start taking it little by little, at least to prepare the womb.
Mother, I don't think going to that community will yield any positive results. I'm sorry to dash your hopes, but these people are very secretive with their medicine. They don't share.
And they were open with it with Ramon. Ramon was able to...
We can, you know, make them understand some certain business. It's called social intelligence. You know, we give them what they don't have, and then in return, they'll give us their orthodox medicine straight by butter. We can sell that idea.
Dad, these people are not civilized. They don't know what trade is. Look, why don't we empower our physicians here with science and technology and forget about this primitive medicine? I'm making sense, right?
What you do, Queen Chamber? What you do? You cause trouble the fire.
No. None of that is going to happen. I came to at least see your face. And thank you for healing me with the herb the other day.
Oh, that.
Thank you so much.
See, this you get, man property you get, use man property. Does not use man thing, problem, come back. Use man thing.
See, I am soon going to be the king. And I need to save enough to have a son.
I tell you story. One man, my place, he marry, he use man thing with wife, use man thing with wife, use man thing with wife. He does not born boy. He does not born boy, he come, I give herb. He born 3 boys.
That powerful?
But I does not tell anybody about herb.
Oh.
I give you, you close. You talk, spoil.
Oh, don't worry. It's going to be a secret between us.
Secretive.
Okay? Yes.
Now I go walk before Queen come, Queen beat.
Oh, no problem. But take care of yourself for me.
Use something. Use man something. Does not use man something. Problem come back. Problem come back. I does not give blood.
No one sees what I see.
You're windering me wound.
See, if I can beat you, I will. I just got the king and queen off our backs and you're enticing Ramon with medicine?
He calls me. You don't want me to answer the call.
Why are you telling him to have sex so that his waist pain will not come back? Do you wish to do that with him?
Me? That is... does not insult me. Does not insult me. I just helps him because he said he likes my medication.
Who are you to help him? Huh? Who are you to help him?
I should not help a good man.
Listen to me. I just tell you to stay in this house like no one is seeing you. Is that too much to ask?
I should not help a good man. A good man call. I should not answer.
So now he's a good man and I am the devil. Huh? Now you listen to me. It is only this devil that cares about your safety. If he finds out about your true identity, you think you'll still be a good man? You're warned.
I will make her mine. She's the girl I want. Make her mine. No matter what they say, no matter what they think, I will make her mine. She's the girl I want.
Anti-fine wickedness does not day. I check Good Life Fitness me. Now I don't clean everything.
They don't know what she has.
I check it.
In her.
I checkmate it.
She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will make her mine.
Saloa! What is this? Why are you wearing Mildred's clothes and you're even wearing my shoe? What is wrong with you?
I checkmate if Good Life Fitness me.
You checkmate? You're even wearing my shoes. If Mildred catches you wearing this outfit, she will bury you alive.
What I do? I kill? I does not kill.
You're asking me?
I checkmate Good Life.
What I not do? What are you not do? You see this trouble? You are in this trouble yourself. You are in this alone. Jesus Christ.
Talks through. It does not fit me.
Just shut up.
It does not
shut up your mouth. Shut up. What does not fit you? Does this fit you? Huh? Does it fit you? It doesn't it?
I good. I fine. I sexiness.
They don't know what she has in her.
I does not kill somebody. I checkmate Good Life.
Move!
I'm sorry.
Drop them!
I'm sorry.
You have the guts to wear my dress and even you wear my hair. Do you know what? What is this? This is 40 inches straight. 1 million. Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Shut up! Shut up!
I died!
You fool!
I died!
You should die already! Die! Can you imagine?
I died!
You wear my dresses! How dare you! It's your guts for me! You are so stupid! You are crazy! You stink! Stupid thing! Look at this fool! Man!
I died!
Come on, burn this thing! Burn them!
I died!
Saloa got more than what she deserved. It would have been worse.
Much as I disapprove of what she did, I frown at the actions taken by Mildred. What if she had drowned in the pool yesterday?
Your Majesty,
A maid should always remember and never forget her status. Sulusa here overstepping her boundaries could have cost her more. Could have, in fact, her arm should have been chopped off. Rubbish.
Sorry, King. Sorry, Prince. I witnessed good life. Sorry.
Let this not happen again, because next time you deserve, you will receive more.
That's enough. Return to your duty.
Thank you, Kings. Thank you, Prince. I go.
Come and stay here with us. I go. Come and stay.
How is it that my crown is missing under my roof?
Your Majesty.
What's the meaning of that?
This is an abomination. This is a huge abomination. Whoever is responsible for this, he or she's life will not be spared. This has never happened in this palace before.
It is treason to touch the king's crown, let alone move it. How can this even happen?
No. Take that drawer, the down one.
If by the end of the day and the crown is still missing, I'll get the guards, the maids arrested and tortured severely. Someone is behind this, and I must get to the root of it. Search on.
Why are you not worried? Why are you not worried? Is it because you came with a prince? You think you're more important than us? Why are you not worried?
She is so full of herself. Look at her. She wears maid's uniform like us, yet thinks she has equal standing with the royals. Fool.
Why are you not worried? Why are you not worried that we'll be tortured for something we know nothing about?
Why I worry? What I find, I does not touch. What I find, I does not sabi. Why I worry?
I don't want to get punished though. I don't want to get punished though.
Okay, what I find, I touch. I touch what I find.
When you open your mouth, then, do you know what happens? Foolishness oozes out in form of speech. We do not know the whereabouts of the crown, and we are worried about being tortured. Have sense.
I don't want to get punished though. Ha. Oh, okay.
Wait. They torture? They beat?
They will torture. They will kill us today.
They beat or cut hand?
And I don't know, but they will kill us today. Go that side.
What are you doing to the crown?
Since I start work in this place, I cleanse floor, I cleanse chair, I wash his clothes, everything. But nobody does clean this thing. He stays here every time. Nobody does clean it. So I touch it. I said, no, it is dirtiness. I put it inside bucket. I put water and I soak it so that all the dirtiness will go out. It is washing it that I wash.
Wait, what kind of foolishness is this? Doesn't she know it's a crown? You have never seen a crown in your life?
To even think that she led the search for it while having it washed. That is the height of foolishness.
Who instructed you to wash this crown?
You does not know anything. Do I need instructs before I wash dirt? I see dirty, I wash dirty. I bad? No, I do bad.
Your Highness, she must be punished. This is sacrilege. No one dares touch the crown except the king or the heir to the throne.
I know, but I'm thinking again.
What are you thinking about? Are you going to let this idiot go? Really? Like really?
Well, I know what she has done is not the right thing, but I think she needs a proper orientation on how things are run around here.
Hey! Come back.
What's a mess? I want to faint! Where are you from again? The forest, right?
No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will.
Her Majesty the Queen, you asked to speak with me.
Sit. You saw how one small fly shook the peace of the royal house today. Ignorance, they say, is an incurable disease. It sings whatever that is close to it.
Mother, I think Sulusa is not aware of what to do and what not to do. She has no idea of boundaries and superiority. Where she comes from, they only recognize old and young. There are no royals and commoners. They all live as one in a very, very small community.
And that does not justify the fact she is trying to kill the peace of this royal house. So I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to do something noble. And as commendable that is, it is a promise that is doomed to break. Return her to her community. Send her away ASAP. As if you don't know what she did. As heinous as that is, send her away!
I cannot do that. What kind of a prince will I be if I cannot keep my word? A prince's word is treated as gold. I cannot take it back after giving it. Else I'll be seen as weak and lacking integrity.
And your word is stronger and better than the peace, stability of this royal house.
Her mother entrusted her to me, and I cannot break her fragile heart by taking her back. I'm not breaking your heart, mother. All we have to do is to educate her and everything will be fine.
I see.
Why did you come in? Crazy? No, now. Crazy? No. I was not trying to do anything bad. You know, say, in this kind of life we are now, this is how men show women they like them.
Why you like?
I want to marry you.
You marry somebody married before? Somebody wife you marry? You crazy?
You are married.
Does not touch me again. Does not twinkle me again. Touch me, twinkle me, I finish you.
I will make her mine. She's the girl I want. No matter what they say, no matter what they think, I will make her mine. She's the girl I want.
Big news. The chief guard said that Sulusa is a married woman. No. That must be a joke. No. I mean, it is sacrilegious for a married woman to be a palace maiden. And they can have her killed if this is discovered the truth.
Very serious.
It's not possible.
Really? Really? The prince himself knows that a married woman cannot be a maid in this palace. So what are you talking about? Say nothing. I will get to the root of all this. Let me just take it as one of our jokes. Come on, go back to your jobs.
Mike, how well do you know this Saloa? I mean her identity.
Are we still on this? I have told you I am not kicking her out on the issue of ignorance and illiteracy.
I see. And I ask you, what if she does not meet the criteria of being a maid? Are we allowed to kick her out?
What criteria are we talking about?
My prince, we heard that Saloa is a married woman. Yes! And a married woman is not expected to be here in the palace as a maid.
How? I mean, who told you that?
She confessed that herself to the chief guard. And honestly, the way it stands, if this is true, we can not only punish her, we will kick her out of this place.
Mike, how well do you know her? What facts do you know about her? Or you just saw her, took pity on her, and brought another man's wife to the palace?
Well, I met with her family and nobody made mention of her being married. Look, I'm sure this is one of Saloa's ignorant jokes.
Ignorance is not an excuse to break the laws of the palace. I will make sure she suffers if I find out that what she said is the truth. She will not be saved from my wrath. I'll make sure she pays dearly for deceiving me. Better go and make your findings well.
Why are you parading yourself as a married woman? Huh? You better not lie to me because you told the chief guard you're married.
I talks. Chief guard comes. He talks, he likes me. He likes to marry me. I said no. He does not marry a married woman that is married already.
Is that why you told him that? If they ask you to provide a husband, do you have one to show? Huh?
People talk, no man talk. To chase people that want to chase them. I just talk it. It's a girl talk.
Stop making such expensive jokes in this palace. Do you know that maids that are married can be punished and kicked out for it?
Hmm?
Yes!
Tutuza.
What's tutuza?
I does not know that they kills them.
Stop making such expensive jokes in this palace. Do you understand? Now get out.
You kills me.
Get out!
I go.
Go. Get out.
They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will make her mine. No one sees what I see.
Yes, my girls have a shop there. Yes, once you supply the goods, they will confirm and I'll make payment immediately.
What I do? Devil I kill. What I do?
What were you thinking when you tried to attack my wife with this wood?
King, sorry. Queen, sorry. Attack I plan not. Since I come palace, every day I see evil. I see evil, I look evil. Every day I see evil, I look evil. Today my body does not wait to look evil. I want to kill. Because my village red feather evil, we kill. We burn. Because evil. Today I see again. My body touch me. My body say kill, kill. I kill. I does not know.
Excuse me? Are you saying that your target was on the feathers on the crown?
Yes, this evil.
That's a lie. Your Majesty, this girl almost broke my head with this long wood. My head is aching now, as if a trailer jammed my head.
Oh,
This is a conspiracy.
She has always known that I kicked against her existence in this palace. So she made a move at my life, pretending it was the feather. Which feather? Which feather?
Yes, shut! There is no ignorance entertained in the kingdom. For this, you are going to be in dark room for 3 days without food.
I
Stand up, get up.
She's everybody in this palace. She has to be killed. I eat the fucking dead. I eat the She has to be killed. Look at my head.
Majesty, her foolishness cracks you up so hard. Even though as humorous as that looks, it wasn't not your head that thing almost hit today.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry about that. I've never seen things so funny like that.
I don't know whether you see her as a royal jester or what. Or whether I am the jester. Any royal house that sees her queen as a royal jester should be ashamed of itself.
Sorry about that. She has been punished for this. But the fact is that nobody can really throw light on what happened in the palace today. Okay?
That punishment was the least of it. She should have been killed. In fact, beheaded. Or chopped off. Keep her alive, but without hands. That girl is a prone to accidents in this palace.
I see. Save your breath, okay? I believe she will be guarded after this punishment. But I've never seen a thing that made my queen scream for a long while. Oh.
And I've never seen you laugh so hard. I don't know when you became this soft. Or you are gloating over my misfortune or what.
It's not.
Tell me.
Oh, it's not.
Can you stop?
What I do here? What I do here? Now see me, now punish me again.
No, nobody will punish you again. I heard what happened to you. I heard you were locked in the guard room for days without food. Hope you're okay now.
I hear you where you pity me for the pain.
Yes, I'm sorry about that. I'm very sorry about that. I know your intentions are pure, but the actions you took were dangerous. It's fine.
Thank you. You care. Not prince that does not care for humans.
Of course I care about you, and you're my friend. I heard you were flogged the other day because you wore clothes that belonged to Mildred. You know what? I bought you nice clothes and shoes. Yes.
Gift me.
Yes.
And why are you exchanging body heat?
It's not heat I change. It's gifts he gives.
Give it back. You cannot accept gifts from him.
Why can't she accept gifts from you? Why? Is she not deserving of something good because she's a maid?
That is not your call to make. I am sure the maidens in your palace do not receive gifts from you. Ramon, what do you want?
Saloa is not a baby. She's an adult. She can decide to do what she wants to do, where and how she wants to do it without your permission.
Now let me remind you, I brought her here. That makes her my responsibility. So she's going to do as I say. You're not keeping that gift. You hear me?
Brother Lemo, thank you. I keep the gift. I
welcome.
go.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Why do you care so much about Saloa? Is it because she's your responsibility? Oh, do you like her and you don't know how to say it?
Ramon, you think everyone is like you that has this crazy idea about a perfect love and soulmates irrespective of status? I am not like you, and I don't trust your intentions around her. Excuse me.
I will find out what is eating you up, my friend. Trust me.
What did I just witness? Prince Ramon bought you a gift?
I does not ask. I does not request. I does not want. He give me gift.
Do you know, for a slave, I think you are too ambitious. I don't like it. What is your plan? You want to have Prince Ramon tied around your fingers and then make my own Prince Mike look at you as a big brother, being possessed about you, because I do not understand it. What's your plan?
What I do, princess, what I do? I stay my stay. Prince Ramon give me gift. I does not ask gift. What I do?
There's something about you that I do not understand. Looking at where you came up from, I think you are here with a lot of shams, right? To have the princess round your fingers, right? Is that your plan? You have failed woefully. Do you hear me? You have failed woefully because I cannot even stand you. Or do you think that I will be the same thing as you? Nah, that's not possible. You are so disgusting.
I know you not me. Me nice, you wicked. You not me. Auntie fine, you not me.
Looking at the way you speak, your stupid English, your English can shatter and destroy bottles. But the way you swear men into your hands is what I do not understand. For the last time, your charms will not work. And I cannot even stand you again. What do you think? That I will be a queen and then you a queen? How? It can work. It's not possible. Do you hear me? Because that will happen if someone keeps seeing you as is it a girlfriend or having love interest with you? Because I don't get it. What's the problem?
I does not want queen. I stay my stay. Ramon give me gift. I does not plan queen.
With all these your stupid attitudes, you do not want queen. It's your ambition and it will not work. I will disgrace you and make you the slave that you are. You are a slave. A slave must be a slave. You cannot be a queen. Do you hear me?
Auntie fine wickedness, what I do? What I do? What I do?
Oh, you want to know what you have done, right? I'm answering your question. You want to know what you have done?
Yes.
Go down your knees.
Eh?
Go down on your knees. Shut up!
Auntie, beautiful finance. Since you call I stand, she does not talk anything. What you want? I bring you sweet color water or I bring tea. What you want? Why you call?
Do not question me. Stay right there until I'm done. When I'm okay, I'll let you know why I called you. Is that okay?
I stay there.
Don't stress me.
I stay there. Beautiful place. Today you nice. I stay there. You say I stay there.
What? On my bed with your stupid body.
You say I stay there.
Oh! Jeez. Oh my God.
Ow! He pains you. Ow! Flog, he pains me like this.
Ow! 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 Ow!
He pains you? He pains you.
Get out!
He pains you!
Get out!
He pains! I go!
You see, I thought very hard and long about our conversation yesterday. You're right anyways. You see, I would do same if she were to be entrusted under my care.
Thanks for acknowledging the truth. So that means you will seek the hand of a noble bride.
Oh, you're getting it all wrong. You see, my father has no issue in class or status. He's a very big promoter of true love, who believes love has no bounds. So,
what are you trying to say?
I really like Sulusa. She makes me very happy. And I'm ready to fight for her hand in love. My intentions for her are very pure. So don't bother yourself about me taking advantage of the poor maid.
You selfish bastard. Why do you only care about your desires and not her plight? Do you think your people will open their hands for an illiterate and ignorant maid from the neighboring kingdom as their queen? Now let me tell you, if you don't know, the royal politics is bigger than your love and romance.
And my love is fierce and relentless. So big to combat any opposition that will come against my happiness. Why don't you let me bother about my kingdom and my people? Just do not stand in my way.
Ramon, you don't know what you're saying. Believe you me, you don't know what you're saying.
Don't be an impediment to my desire.
You know, Una, I never knew a day like this would come, that I will envy this bush girl. Imagine Prince Ramon, you know, like in love with this local thing.
Have you noticed that the prince is against it? I mean, he acted like a big brother by telling Prince Ramon to stay away.
Hey, as there, like that trash got the attention of 2 future kings. Eh? Hey, come, where you? Which soap they take bath you for your village? Come and tell. Come.
Fears does not catch you.
Come and cut soap for me.
Fears does not catch you.
My friend, come and cut
You
soap.
gossip in my back. You gossip in my face.
Cut soap.
I tell you something. Prince Ramon, me, friendship, no love. I tell Prince Ramon, no love. I tell him nothing. No.
Story.
Or is she trying to show off by pretending to reject the affection of a prince? You know, I knew it. Village girls like this knows how to use their ignorance and craziness to manipulate and hook a man. Look at her.
Anyway, I agree with you. But if it's in her destiny to become a future queen, then who knows?
No. Prince Ramon is infatuated. I mean, he saw us clean, well-spoken and educated. Yet, he thinks he likes this trash. Or did you feed him with that love potion in the herbal healing tea you gave to him?
I walk now, does not call again. You gossip me my back, you call me my present, you gossip. Crazy? Big chief, call, I answer. Majestic, call, I answer. Big princess, call, I answer, does not call again. Does not call again.
Maybe she fed you.
Your Majesty, you sent for me.
Yes. We want to know exactly what is delaying the royal wedding.
Tell us. You promised that once you return from the adventure, you'll get married. It's 3 months you returned. Until now, you're not even making any move towards getting married.
Well, I knew you were going to ask sooner or later, but I was just wondering what was taking so long.
Son, we have patiently waited for you to use your discretion. But your intention of getting married is not forthcoming, or so it seems.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Do you love each other?
Sure.
If there's no doubt, I love your mother. Why are you bringing the issue of love?
Because I am envious of Ramon. His father gave his blessings to marry for love. He is to marry whomever he wants, despite her class, background, or status.
Okay. Do you have anyone you love?
Is that going to make any difference?
It will not. We cannot change the tradition of night. It has been here before our fathers. The next king is supposed to marry a royal blood. She is to rule beside him.
Exactly my point. I will get married, but I just need some time to prepare.
Son, the time is now. You cannot engage Mildred for so long without properly getting married to her. It's considered a evil.
Noted.
If you want them forever to get married. My princess, what's the problem? You don't look happy. What's wrong?
Your Majesty, it's been 8 months I got engaged to the prince. Yet he doesn't talk to me about anything concerning marriage.
That is not a problem at all. The king and I have spoken to him. And he says he needs time.
Mother, what if he doesn't want me anymore and he wants somebody else?
Could you stop? Don't talk like that. The prince has not requested for the engagement to be broken, which is a good sign. I believe he's experiencing some kind of cold feet. But he'll come around.
Your Majesty, this is not helping me at all. My friends that we all got engaged at the same time are married now. Then they used to be envious of me that I got chosen as the next queen of this kingdom. But now they mock me, saying that I could not please the prince.
Mildred, that should not bother you. The king and I will order him to do the needful if it comes to that. The prince must marry you before this month runs out. I got your back. Okay?
Thanks, Mother.
Can you not cheer up?
Your Majesty, please, I need more time.
It is the freedom that we have given to you is what you make you think that as the heir apparent to the throne of my fathers, you have a choice.
You have always trusted me to do the right thing. Why can't you trust me one more time?
On this one, you are not thinking right. You are beclouded by ideas of love, therefore drifting away from a long-standing tradition.
Son, everything we have done for you and the next generation. We have walked in the path of our forefathers, and we expect you to follow suit and walk in our footsteps.
Look, I am not talking to you as your father only. I am speaking as the supreme ruler of Saloa Kingdom. You are getting married in 3 weeks.
Your Majesty, please, don't do this.
Your opinion is not needed in this matter. Obedience is better than sacrifice.
Finally, the palace is busy and full of life.
Yes, so the long-awaited royal wedding is in 2 weeks. It looks like the royal house has an enemy of progress within it.
What do you mean? Who is that?
How can you explain Sulusa's long face, even now that everyone is happy with the upcoming royal wedding? Look at her.
That's true. That confirms our suspicion. Maybe she's in love with the prince, and hearing that he is getting married upsets her. Why is your face like that?
You talks about me. I'm here, he does not ask me, just talk. Why he talks like that?
Okay, let me ask you. Madam, why are you not happy for the prince? Or are you liking his protectiveness over you? Maybe you wish he would love and marry you. My friend, that can only happen in your dreams.
I does not answer you. You, I talk to you. Because this one open mouth, nonsense come, rubbish come, death come. It does not answer. You see Prince nice, Prince good man. Prince marry, I happy. Because Prince my friend. My friend. But my problem is Auntie fine wickedness. She, Prince forever, no happiness. No happiness. She does not make Prince happy. That I worry for my friend.
You worry about the royals. Why are you worried about the royals? You. You don't have to worry about the royals. Allow them worry on their own, okay? Not everyone has to be a clown like you to make others happy. You're worried about the royals. Let her go and get it.
Mind your business.
I would have said congratulations on your upcoming wedding, but seeing how miserable you look, what more can I say than it will be alright, eh? Okay, Don't worry.
Can you stop with your sarcasm? Huh? Getting married now will be a disaster. I cannot get married.
Don't tell me you are scared of getting married to Mildred this much. Or are you indirectly using your responsibility to Saloa as an excuse?
What are you even saying? Does that make sense to you? What has Saloa got to do with this?
Everything. Everything. Because I am trying as much as I can to understand why you have someone's daughter engaged for 7 months and you don't even look like you want to get married to her.
Look, I did not call you here to analyze me. Okay?
Okay.
I have a personal problem that I'm dealing with. I just want you to give me ideas that can overpower the king's veto command. That's all.
Is there a thing like that? Okay, maybe the gods or possibly the force of nature.
The force of nature?
Yeah.
That will work. Yeah, that would definitely work.
But how do you intend to use the force of nature to overpower the king's veto?
Did I say I will? You, my friend here, is going to use nature to delay this marriage. Come on, let's go.
Puts inside tea, gives him.
Hey, is it poison? Like...
Poison, I ask? Why poison? I kiss people? I rituals? No, I rituals.
No. See, in as much as he doesn't want to get married, he wouldn't also want to die.
I does not care. Put this make sickness. Week 5 sickness.
5 weeks.
After strong again.
Okay. I think this is going to help.
Yes.
It's going
Put
to help.
small inside tea. Now sick.
Yes.
Catch cold, body hot. Later, body strong. But does not tell anybody I give. You tell I give, I have problem because Prince wants. Prince say stay your stay does not go everywhere in palace.
I think I understand what you're saying, but please, I'm not going to tell anybody, okay? It's a secret between me and you. Thank you very much.
Does not open. Thanks.
They don't know what she has in her.
It seems his state of health is not too good.
Yeah, very critical, Your Highness. I'm sorry he has to be watched for at least the next 5 weeks.
What?
5 weeks.
5 what? Doctor, that is a long time. The royal wedding is in 2 weeks.
I don't think that will be possible. Yes, he won't engage in any strenuous activity. The royal wedding inclusive. I mean, he has to be here, watched over, treated until I certify him fit. So I've made some prescriptions and the nurse I came with will soon arrive with the drugs. Your Highness, I beg to leave.
You have my permission.
Your Majesty, I am worried. He was fine yesterday. Don't you think the pressure of the wedding is making him fall sick like this?
I wish I have an answer. However, 5 weeks is too much a time to keep our prospective in-laws waiting. There is no wedding until the prince recovers. I will send message across to them.
That's sad.
Please, let's leave him alone. The nurse
Can I be with him a bit?
No,
a little
you
while?
need to rest. Please, let's go.
My love, you know when, okay? So sorry.
Let's go.
Sorry.
Enjoyment.
Come back here. What are you doing here? Who sent you here?
Tea I bring for you.
You came here to mock me?
Why I mock?
You came here to laugh at me? You are happy that I'm not getting married, right?
What I do?
This is all your fault!
What I do? I sickness that sick prince? No. I is not sickness. What I do?
You have a dark spirit around you. You are a witch. You came into this palace with a dark spirit. Since you came here, nothing is working anymore. Everything's just going wrong every day. What is it? Who are you? Who sent you here? What do you want? Get out. Come back here and take this nonsense from here. This person, take it. Just get out. Go. Get out!
Is here. You have to put your hand on my hands. Put your hands and chanted this chant with me. If you does not do it now, I shall die.
You're so gullible. I'm surprised you still believe in this superstitious nonsense.
You talks believe. Hey, you are right. It is the belief I believe that shall kills me. I know he does not want me to live. He wanted me to die so that you can be free. No problem. If you does not put your hand, I shall die.
What are you saying?
Put your hand and chant the moon chant with me.
Look, I don't believe whatever you're saying, but if you think me putting my hands or holding your hands is going to save you or not let you die, then I'll do it.
Push.
Right or left?
The hand I put, you put. Half is not completed until the others half joins it. now he joins. They are happy. They are happy. They bonded. Bonded. They come together. They are strong. Yes. And nobody, no man or woman or deaths can separate them again. The moon is happy. Chatang kwan, chatang kwan, chan, chatang kwan, chaka. Chatang kwan, chatang kwan, chan, chatang kwan, chata. 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 Hands for the moose! The moose! The moose goes! The moose is running! It is a runner! The moose is a runner!
I was surprised when I was told you were here without my knowledge. Since when do you visit without a call?
Since I realized that friendship is good, but a man in love yields to no protocols.
What are you talking about?
A very ripe and priceless apple is about to be plucked in your kingdom. And if you are my friend, you will support my happiness.
Are we still talking about Solusa? Why can't you let this illusion you call love go?
Why can't you support my choice? Why? Are you not my friend? Oh, you are embarrassed that your best friend is in love with a maid.
You are obsessed, Ramon.
I am not obsessed, I am in love. And I'm pretty sure you would never understand because in your whole life, you have never been in love. Listen, I am not here to see you. I am here to see her. And the next time you call my love names, I will not forgive you.
They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will
Easy, please.
I stop pain, sit down.
No.
I do pain, go.
Yes, pain.
Pain go.
Yes, pain.
I take pain.
Pain go, but this happened when I was diving from a tree to you. I'm glad I caught the enemy.
You go bush, you careful.
Yes, I will. I will next time, you know.
You go bush, you see bush meat. Long time not eat bush meat.
Oh,
now miss bush meat. Where? My village, I go bush, I bring bush meat. I eat every day. I eat.
See, you're lucky this time because I caught a very big antelope.
You bring for me?
Yes. Next time I'm coming here, I'm going to bring you a chunk of meat. Okay? I will. And I've been meaning to ask you something. Would you love to leave the palace? Like, stay with me, you make me happy, I make you happy, and you don't have to be a maid no more. Just come with me. Yes. Yes.
Leave palace, problem. Because here somebody bring. Me cannot go like that. Because somebody bring. So before leave, you tell king, you tell prince, you tell queen. Approval, leave.
Okay. In that case, I will talk to the king and the queen myself.
Your friend, you talk?
See, the king is going to approve it, that I am sure about. And once the king approves of it, the prince has nothing to say.
Your friend does not agree. Problem. Problem for me.
Let me bother about that, okay? The most important thing is you accepting to stay with me.
I think because here I suffer. Here flog, beat, shout, beat, almost kill. Frying pan. Now, maybe your place I does not know fire. I move frying pan, I go fire. I does not want.
No. Come on, you'll be very comfortable. I will take care of you. Okay?
I think it. I think it. Now, I cannot give answer. I think, I meditate, I reason, I come back to you.
Okay.
You must be carried away hearing those sweet words from Ramon.
You mean my friend, Ramon? He's a kindness man.
He cannot be your friend. There is no genuine friendship between royals and commoners. How stupid can you be?
If you cannot fit to make friend with commoner, does not mean that my friend Ramon cannot fit to make friendship with me.
I have come to tell you to stop. Stop whatever you're doing or thinking. Do you hear me?
Why you say? No, why you say? You say you cannot fit to make friend with commoner. Why it concern you with what I do with Ramon?
Because I brought you here. If anything happens to you, you are my responsibility.
I does not want it like that. I take care of me. Yes, I am an adult. If a man sees me and he comments and say, I like you. If I like him, it is okay. If I does not like him, I say no.
Sulusa! Do not get me angry. Do not get me angry. Stop entertaining Ramon!
A kingdom blessed with riches. Blessed in wealth. Chulucha. Chulucha. Chulucha.
I don't trust this girl. I believe she's here on a mission. On a mission to kill and destroy, in fact, destabilize every member of this household.
She knows that any attempt on my life will bring an ultimate end to her.
This one. Her life means nothing. Who is she? A lowly maid. The lowest of them all. Your Majesty, she is not even a royal physician. How can you trust her with your heart portion? Your heart treatment portion? This one that did not even go to school. Does she know the quantity she will give you as a dosage?
Well, I just want to trust her because she's from a place where they specialize in orthodox medicine. I will do myself injustice if I do not use this opportunity to bring a lasting solution to my email.
Your Majesty, there could be side effects that might lead to complications. Wait, are you desperate for this healing that you have risked it all? Why don't you stick to the normal medication our royal physician prescribed for you? Like you've been doing, sitting out here. What are you doing with this girl?
Well, let my faith work for me.
A kingdom blessed with riches. Blessed in wealth. Chulucha. Chulucha. Chulucha.
What have you done? Your Majesty, Your Majesty, what have you done? You know you're not the only one that's going to die. I will make sure I wipe the entire community. It's okay. It's okay.
Leave.
Guards!
Quiet. Healings. Quiet.
Well, are you okay? Yes, I am healed. I am healed.
He goes.
The pains in the heart and my ligaments, they're all gone. What can this king do to appreciate it?
Nothing. My place helps day. We does not take money. We give herbs. Thank star. Thank sun. Thank moon. Money, no. take money, spoil herbs. I go. I go.
You can go.
I go.
I can't thank the moon and the sun. Oh, I get really. Oh, the pits are gone. You can imagine. Where is she? I'm here. Yes. Oh, I feel so good. I could go hiking if you agree with me.
Let me just say, I am so happy you're completely healed.
Oh, all thanks to Saloa.
Yeah.
You know, I'm even thinking of promoting her from the rank of a maid to palace physician. Of course, you know, she's here with good medicine and herb. That if you promote her from that rank of a maid to a palace physician, it will be of a benefit for the royal household. What do you think?
Your Majesty.
Yes?
Isn't that too hasty a decision to make? This Saloa you're talking about does not have a formal education. I believe this thing she did, she was just being lucky. And you know, because of that poor educational background, she may not know the actual dosage to prescribe. And too much of this thing you're talking about may kill. Can kill someone. So let's give her time. Let's see that she is not lucky, but skilled and knowledgeable in what she's doing.
I agree with the queen, father.
In a hurry.
If you ask me. Saloa came with the herbs.
Oh.
And it's only her community that grows it. What happens if she runs out?
Okay.
What will she do?
Then doctor position will collapse.
She can't be a physician without the herbs. Father, I am happy she healed you, but I think we should just let her be.
You know, without the herb, no doctor. So just leave her where she is. As a maid, let her. Everything you want to do.
They look so happy together. Seems your best friend is in love.
He shouldn't be. This love is not going to happen.
Why? Because you are that big brother who would not allow his younger sister to be friends with his friend.
How many times do I have to remind you that Saloa is my responsibility?
Oh.
I'm just trying to ensure she doesn't get hurt.
Your Highness, you say that a lot. But your reaction is different.
And what is my reaction?
You look like one possessed lover of his wife, seeing his wife with another man. Like, you want to go mad. That's how you react and that's how you look.
Me? Possessed? Saloa. In my weirdest dream, okay? Look at her. She's not my class. Let alone my type. Can you get that crazy idea out of your head?
Fine, Your Highness, fine. Well, you know what? I don't like when you look like this. You look like one possessive lover. Like one overprotective fellow. Right? Your Highness, come on. Because of your health, our wedding was postponed. I feel you should be concerned about that more than this, Your Highness. Your Highness.
Can you stop? What do you want? Huh? What do you want?
Why are you looking so?
Your Majesty, I am afraid. The royal wedding will not go as we have planned.
What is your observation?
Our son does not love Mildred. And what worries me the most is that he does not love anyone either. What if he does not marry her? After making her wait for close to 1 year. What are we going to do? What are people going to say about us?
You must do according to what you have commanded him to do. The choice of his marriage is not solely his. So he must genuflect to the alliance we are building. We have nothing to worry about.
Your Majesty, what if our son ends up living a sad and unhappy life because of the choices we imposed on him?
The happiness and joy of a king comes within, not from a distant infatuation.
I got for you.
Hey, beautiful, beautiful flowers.
Yes.
Where I plant? I plant here.
Oh.
I plant there. I plant there.
I bought them for you, not for you to plant them.
Not plant what I do.
Don't you understand the gesture of a man presenting a flower to a lady? It's another way of me telling or showing you that I have feelings for you.
Now you talk, I don't understand. You feel for me. Why you feel for me? I sick, you feel for me. I injure, you feel for me. Why?
No, Saloa, see, ever since you came into my life has got more meaning. And I love you, and listen, this is not
I does not take flower. I does not take. See, love bring this, I does not take.
Saloa, this is not a game. I am serious and I'm ready to marry you and make you my queen.
I know what you do. You love me, no. Me make you laugh, yes. Now you want to deceive. You want to deceive.
No. I am grown up. I know what I feel inside. And I know what I feel inside of me now is love for you. It's not just the laugh. I love you.
Me, you cannot love. Me, you, good friendship. Yes, good friendship. Love, no. Does not tell me love again. You tell me love, I stop friendship. Talk love, friendship, go.
No. See.
Not tell me love again. Not tell me feeling. Feeling. Keep yourself. Not tell me.
Saloa, don't walk away. See,
I go.
Saloa, can you give it a second thought? Like, take your time and...
No one sees what
Can you sit down? I don't feel like sitting down. I am so upset right now.
Why are you upset?
Because I was rejected. Saloa have the nerves to reject my love proposal. Really?
Oh, sorry about that. But if you have any pride left in you as a royal prince, you will just walk away and let it go.
Contrary to that, my dear friend, it has given me the ginger, the pressure that I need to push harder. I will not let her be. Do you even know how it feels for a common maid to reject the proposal of a prince? Come to think of it, which man in his right senses would let go of a commoner who has no greed in her? Which man?
Well, why do you want to reduce your value? Do you know that men have values? If a man with value is rejected, he walks away and considers it as a loss for the woman for not seeing the great in him.
Alright. Now let me remind you that my love is shameless and it has no pride in it. I love Saloa and I will not let her go. I will make her my queen.
And where are you going to start from? Huh? Where? That girl has no brain to learn. She is a stark illiterate.
Alright, my dear friend. I appreciate your effort, your concern. But you know what? Let me take care of this. Let me handle that. I will not give up on Saloa. So the earlier you get that in your head, the better for you.
Ramon, you're a royal prince. Why are you beating yourself up for an illiterate, a maid?
No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my...
How are you? Sorry, your time. Prince Mark said he doesn't want to see anybody inside. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm here to see Saloa. Can I at least meet with her?
No, I'm sorry, you can't see her. The prince ordered that nobody should come inside. Meanwhile, she is very busy, and he complained that you are distracting her chores in the palace.
Really? Tell the prince, my friend, that we are best friends and he shouldn't be like this. Tell him I deserve an apology for this insult.
No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams.
Lock the gate and listen. On no account should you open gate for him next time. Please.
Chief Guard, come. Send the chief maid in to me. This way, this way.
Send for me.
What have you been doing with Sulusa that she has so much free time to be playing around the palace?
My prince, she does everything assigned to her.
Well, whatever you're giving her is not enough. She's too free. Assign her back to my chambers.
Suddenly? But you are once the one that asked or rejected her.
Did I tell you I forgot? Reassign her back to my chambers.
Princess Mildred, she won't like this.
Are you still talking? Are you disobeying my orders?
Sorry, my prince. I will do as you commanded.
Leave. Do not allow him into this palace. All of you.
Next time, don't allow that stupid gate man to open gate for him again. Hope you heard me.
You don't announce yourself before coming in.
Why should I? Why should I be concerned about courtesy when I'm actually very pissed? Your Highness, what do I hear? That you asked them to assign that dirty maid to your room. Why?
Are you seriously asking me to explain myself? Look, the fact that we are engaged and you being the princess consort does not make us equals.
Your Highness, are you by any means trying to ignore or avoid my questions? I do not understand. What is happening, Your Highness? It is so bad enough that people say you are so engrossed with that dirty maid. You are acting so possessed about her. You check her around, how she moves and what she eats, where she goes to, like one possessed lover. That's so disgusting already. Your Highness, please, what is going on?
Now, if you think it's because we're in a relationship you deserve an explanation, all I can tell you is I am only carrying out my responsibilities for her.
Your Highness, please. What sort of responsibility, I ask you? That dirty girl she's a grown woman and can take care of herself. Why are you mopping like you are feeding an infant? I do not understand, Your Highness.
Why are you working yourself up? Do I smell insecurity? Does the maid being close to me scare you? Why can't you believe that I am completely into us? That whatever I'm doing is because of the promise I made to her mother?
Your Highness, I do not doubt you. Not at all. I doubt that stupid girl. Yes, because she has succeeded in seducing Prince Ramon and is so into her already. She's here to make great men fall on her feet. And your highness, my prince, you are aiding her by trying to bring her close to you. All in the name of responsibility, your highness.
Now let me tell you something. Sulusa and I can never be. My heart can never waver for her. Relax, princess. Now if you will excuse me.
So you're looking so happy and stronger. Can we proceed to the royal wedding?
I think the royal physician should do a checkup before that.
Son, if I don't know better, I will say you're excited about this marriage. But no, you're not. May I know the reason you are avoiding this wedding?
Mother, I have no idea of what you're talking about.
I heard you reassigned the maid back to your chamber. And I want to ask, what is your interest in this maid? Does she have any reason to do with your disinterest in Mildred?
Sulusa cannot make me lose interest or dislike Mildred. I know my attention has been more on her lately and me moving her close to me might be misinterpreted, but I assure you, it's very innocent and harmless. I am only protecting and looking out for her because she's my responsibility.
Really? She's a maid. And every maid in this palace is my responsibility. I don't know, why are you so fixated on this girl?
Must I say this every time? I brought her here. I made a promise to her family and I'm only trying to fulfill it.
Queen, please allow him to have a breathing space. Our son is an honorable man who stands by his words. Allow him to fulfill his promise. It's as simple as that.
So he's an honorable man that stands by his words?
Yes.
He assured us he was going to marry Mildred. Why doesn't he want to hurry up and fulfill that obligation and marry her? Stand by your word. You spoke that, didn't you? That's the only promise. And your word.
No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what.
Hey. Where do you think you're going?
Cleansing done. Shining finish. My friend Ramon, wait. I go.
You think you're here to serve Ramon? You are here to serve me. Now you're going to do as I say. That bathroom is dirty. Go in there and clean it.
I clean already.
You clean it when? You clean that bathroom?
I clean, I shine.
Are you challenging me? You want me to go and clean it? Huh? Oh, so because Ramon is singing love blues to you, you're feeling pompous. Let this uniform remind you who you are. Now go in there and clean that bathroom.
I does not eat since morning, no.
Now you know you've not eaten.
Hungry catch.
Now you know you've not eaten and you wanted to go out there to talk to him and entertain him. I will stop this madness. Go in there and clean it.
I go.
I will break your head so you retrieve your senses.
I go. But I wash already.
Clean it properly.
what a pleasant surprise. The prince finally decided to meet his friend.
And it looks like you have abandoned your princely duties to be chasing after a maid.
What is this? A kettle calling the pot black? Really? Did you not abandon your duties to be keeping her a prisoner in your chamber? Yes! I even heard you reassigned her to your chamber.
Wow. You even know where and when she moves.
I do. I know you are fighting our love. You are unarguably the villain of my happiness. You may seem to have the upper hand now, no doubt. But I intend to use authority to fight power.
And how are you going to do that?
That will be very stupid of me to unveil my strategy to you. But be rest assured that I'm coming for you.
Bring it on. Ramon, bring it on. But don't forget, do not underestimate your opponent.
I will never underestimate my opponent. Talk more of when I'm dealing with a formidable force like you.
I'll be waiting, Ramon. Yes. Sure.
What is this I'm hearing?
I'll call you back.
That you're preventing Saloa from meeting Ramon?
You should be happy I am preventing her from rising to royalty.
I do not think so. I think you are doing this deliberately. It's intentional, right? Why are you blocking Ramon from meeting Saloa? These are two adults. They can make their own decisions. So what's your concern?
Do you believe that Ramon is in love with Saloa? He's the future king of his kingdom, and there's no way he intends to make a low-life maid the future queen of his kingdom.
And if he pleases to make her grace his bed, how is that your concern? What is your own with that?
I can never let that happen. Yes, I promised her people that I will give her the best, and that is what I'm doing. Giving her the best.
You give her the best? A low-life maid? A commoner? The best? She cannot have the best. You know why? Because she's just a maid. Just a maid. Your Highness, I think this is just too much. You did not promise her a good life. Ramon did. Because you made her a prisoner in your chamber and blockaded her from meeting Ramon.
I don't know why you're having this conversation, because it is none of your business.
Really? It is every inch my business. Because you are my business. I do not understand. What is happening here? Tongues are wagging. People are talking on how you get possessed and jealous over Saloa, a common maid. And do you want to listen to me? It breaks my heart to see my fiancé acting such towards a maid, like one possessed lover over just a maid. Your Highness, with all due respect, please shake this off your body and come back to your senses, because this is not the man I got engaged to.
Now you watch your mouth. Watch the way you speak to me.
Your Highness, please come back to your senses. Excuse me.
You like to softness me.
Can you fan and stop talking?
I talk my mind. Auntie Big Maid, he show me for kitchen big something like this. Big brother of this thing. He cold will put water. So this I look, he cold. He touch me, I feel cold. Now this is day and you say I fan again. Why?
Just shut up. And this is not a fridge. It is called an air condition.
He call you? Because he called me.
Can you just fan and stop talking? Before you go and see Ramon.
Yes, I see him. What concerns? What concerns? You said you does not like me. Ramon say he likes me. Now you vex him vex. Why?
You think he likes you? He does not like you. He just wants to devour you. He's not going to marry you. Because he has no interest in you. I am the one who has an interest in you. So you do as I say. Just fine and stop talking.
Interest? You, me, interest like this? I work like this, I slave, interest? Ramon, interest I like. This, I don't.
Shut up, Efan!
No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will make her mine. No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will make her mine. She's the girl I want. Make her mine. No matter what they say, no matter what they think, I will make her mine. She's the girl I want. I will make her mine. No matter the cost. No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. I will make her mine. She's the girl I want. She's the girl I want. I will make her mine. No matter what they say, no matter what they think, I will make her mine. She's the girl I want. I will make her mine. No matter the cost.
What the hell is going on here? What is this? Your Highness? What is this low-life maid doing on your bed? Can you shut your mouth?
Keep it down, okay? She's really tired. She's been working a lot.
Your Highness? What is this dirty thing doing on your bed?
Keep it down, okay?
Can you shut your mouth?
She's really tired. She's been working a lot.
Maid? Working on you! I can't believe this!
Not on me. She's just work.
You're sharing a bed with a maid? My God! Your Majesty, I knew it. I said it. This is not about responsibility anymore. Your Highness, you're having feelings for this dirty thing.
I don't have feelings for her. What do you mean I have feelings? She's just sleeping. She's just sleeping.
She's very right to assume the worst. This is as bad as it is already. Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Oh, hit her head.
I wake.
Stand up!
Can you stop? I wake. I does not know. I does not know. I wake. I lie here and nothing for nothing with the prince.
Shut up! Kneel down. Kneel down. Swine. What is this? I need you to just shut up. Like I'm losing it. Shut your trap. And stop this pretense. Oh, you have succeeded, right? To crawl into my man's head and bed. Really? Listen, I will squeeze out life out of you. And that is the promise. You are too small, you twat.
Mildred, you're taking this too far. I told you nothing happened.
Amazing.
Really? What is wrong with you? I mean, what is wrong with you sharing a bed with a maid? A royal bed. I think you're not thinking clearly anymore. Your head, in fact, she has possessed you like a spirit.
Your Majesty, this girl is a witch. It is obvious. You want to have my man wrapped around your fingers. You brought your witchcraft to come close to my man, right? You are making a mistake. I will sniff life out of you.
Nothing for nothing with the prince. Nothing for nothing with the prince. I sleep for floor. I don't know. I wake up bed. Nothing for nothing.
Your father's witchcraft took you to the bed.
I carried her to the bed.
Oh! Amen! Your Highness!
Oh, now you put troubles! You put troubles! You put troubles now! I sleep for ground! You put troubles!
Can you get out? Get out!
You put troubles!
Get out!
Don't break that door.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
Mildred, why are you crying? You know this is too dramatic, right?
Really? You think so? Everyone says I'm not worthy of your love, affection, attention. Somehow the news of the maid sleeping on your bed is on the lips of everyone.
It's because you're making a big deal out of nothing. I told you nothing happened. She just slept.
Can you listen to yourself? Your bed has become a cradle where children, babies, all of them come to lie down. Don't you know no other woman, apart from Princess, should be beside you on your bed? Every other woman found on your bed is considered disrespectful. Get that into your head.
Son, do you find Saloa, the maid, attractive? An heir must be in control of his motion. However, you can do whatever you want and still move with the royal wedding with Princess Mildred.
Father, I do not have eyes for Saloa. My intentions have been completely misconstrued.
Your Majesty, I tell you, the prince here is very kind-hearted. And I can see someone taking advantage of that kindness. Is it not better we invite the royal physician to come certify him? If he finds him okay, let us go on with the royal wedding. Delay is dangerous.
I agree with you. I will send for him immediately. Be prepared.
I still remember way back when you were still a little boy. I would come to visit your father, you would offer me a piece of it. Oh, so funny.
Brother. His Majesty. What are you doing here?
Your Majesty, it breaks my heart to see that my own best friend is asking me what I'm doing in the palace.
Oh, cut the crap and state your business. You and I know you're not here to see me.
Okay, seems you want me to go direct. I will. Your Majesty, a delectable apple has been found in your palace. And I've come to pluck it with your permission, Your Majesty.
But what must have caught your attention? The last time I checked, I do not have a daughter.
Oh, Your Majesty, I have found love in the eyes of a maid, Saloa, and I've come to ask for her hand with your permission.
Is your father aware of your intention to marry a maid?
Oh, yes, Your Majesty. My father, the king, approves of my decision to marry for love. He is willing and ready to support my happiness. I'll be so grateful if my humble request is approved by Your Majesty.
Father.
Well, if your father is in support of your intention, I stand by it.
What?
Yes, he's my friend.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I will seek for Saloa's hand as soon as possible and make her my queen. Thank you so much.
Raymond, whatever you're looking for, you're going to get it. But I swear on my royal blood that your inordinate ambition will never see the day of light. I promise you that.
What a kingdom, Chulucha, blessed with a prince, as bold as a lion. Chulucha.
Your Majesty, I wish I can tell, but Your Majesty, to the best of my knowledge, your word and command is supreme.
I owe you an apology. I overreacted a few days ago.
That's an understatement. You almost lost it. Let me ask you, are you in love with Saloa? Because you acted like a jealous lover.
You're my brother and friend. Not opening up to you has been insensitive of me. Can it not be Saloa?
Why not? You are engaged to be married to. Thank you. You are engaged to Mildred. You're engaged to be married to Mildred. So why not Saloa?
Can you just trust me on this? Huh? Just trust me. There is something you do not know. A deep secret that has been giving me sleepless nights. Just let it go.
I will not. I mean, not when the king has given me his blessings. I love her. Only if you can give me a reason that is a matter of life and death. If not, I won't let her go.
You cannot marry Saloa because she's a married woman. And I'm only trying to protect her dignity as a married woman.
How is that even possible? How? I mean, how is a married woman a maid in the palace? I mean, who is she married to? And why is she not with her husband?
It all happened when I traveled to Budubu community on my last adventure.
What a kingdom, Chulucha, blessed with a prince, as bold as a lion. Chulucha, Chulucha, Chulucha. Kingdom blessed with riches, blessed in wealth. Chulucha, Chulucha, Chulucha. Chulucha, Chulucha.
You must be a stranger. I don't know what you must have heard concerning this village. You don't come to this village and defy our daughter without the intention to marry. You don't.
Wait, what? Defile who?
Our daughter.
I did not defile this girl. Look, it was raining and I needed shelter. I saw this hut and I ran into the hut to wait for the rain to stop. I did not know she was in there. Her mother just came in and started accusing me of taking advantage of her daughter. Did I touch you?
He does not touch.
I didn't touch her.
He does not touch me. I have problems with mother. Mother pursue. Mother pursue, I runs. So I runs, I hide. Rain falls. So I go roof. I stay roof, I see brother. Mother comes. Mother say we do man and woman. We does not do man and woman. It does not touches me.
I did touch her.
Foolish. You, my daughter, together, doing it. You do something.
We does not do.
You do something. You do something.
Tuza.
The law of the land is simple. Whoever that is caught with a young maiden in this village doing such a thing is either you marry that young lady or you die.
What? Wait. Come on, man. I can't marry her. I have a fiancé back home. Look, there's been a little misunderstanding, okay? You tell them that we didn't do anything? Huh? Yeah, I me. Tell them when we didn't do anything, I me.
I talk.
Look here. Our people are already at the village square, waiting.
For what?
Take them to the village square for the marriage rites. Immediately.
Dancing.
Get up.
So you are telling me that you are married to Solusa? She's your wife?
I was forced at cutlass, machetes and dagger points to marry her. If I had refused, they would have killed me.
Now I see why you are trying to avoid marrying Mildred. Because if you marry her, she'll become a second wife. Because you're already married. Now I see your plight.
I'm sorry I did not trust you on this secret. But I'm stuck. I don't know what to do.
Listen, the marriage can be nullified, as it was done against your wish. Yes, you have to tell your father, so that such a barbaric law cannot prevail over your choice. No one should be treated the way you were treated, especially when it's a royal prince like you.
If my father finds out that his son was threatened, don't you think he's going to go to war with this community? How do you think all of this is going to end?
But unfortunately, they will find out. So it's better you tell them the truth and control the narrative. But once the unadulterated truth comes to light, there is nothing stopping your father from unleashing his wrath.
You know what? I can handle it. But I want you to back off. Sulusa is my wife. And it hurts me to see her as a maid. This is the only way I can protect her until I find the right time to set things right.
What a twist. So the future queen of this kingdom is the lowest maid. I see.
Salu what? Salusa, Salu. Whatever. Where is this stupid fool? Where is this? What's this idiot? Salusa! Solusa! Are you daft or something?
You okay? I've told you so many times to be careful.
I injure you.
Sorry.
I injure.
Sorry.
Oh, now I comes. I come.
Shut up! Shut up! You disgust me! Shut up!
Are you hurt? Can you walk?
Oh, I can management. Oh.
Sorry.
Painfulness. Painfulness.
Sorry.
Painfulness. 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 Oh. Yes. What I tell him? What I tell my friend that he does not come to look for me again? What I tell him?
I told Ramon why he cannot see or be with you.
Why you liar for him? Why? What liar you liar to him? To make him not to come. He does not ask me. He does not see me.
I told him the truth.
What?
That you're already married and you cannot be with him.
I marry? Wife like this? I wife? No talks, I wife? You find trouble. You find trouble because you say I am illiterating. That nothing will concern royals and common. That they cannot do. Now Ramon comes. He say it's okay to dance with me. And now you tell lie. I marry? I slave in my husband's house. My husband does not show love. He does not do anything. I marry.
I told him the truth about everything that happened that day. I told him that I am your husband.
You are not any banding. You and me cannot band any banding. I does not marry you. I single. You talks it. You talks it. You insulted me. You tells me that I and you cannot come togetherness. That the common and the royal cannot be together. That I.
No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has.
You look worrisome.
Your Majesty, I am worried. You know, you told our son that he can actually sleep with the maid. If he is obsessed with her, go ahead to marry Mildred. But I don't see things in that light. Whatever he feels for that maid is beyond infatuation.
I want you to understand that our son understands quite well that it's highly appropriate for him to marry a commoner.
Your Majesty, our son is aware of all that. But when it comes to the matters of the heart, police, army, law court, even the highest judge cannot stop the man or woman who is in love.
Oh, stop. He cannot defy the sacred tradition. There's no way he will fall for a maid.
Initially, she wasn't his type or up to his status. But she's growing up to him. our son feels something deep for that girl. And it's a huge problem.
It's all right. I don't want you to disturb your head over that. I'll fix it. I'll fix it.
Prince was only a child. I have seen pains and I know one thing, that it never ends well to any maid who is so ambitious to dream about becoming a queen.
I think you should ask her directly. She is slow and not very good with English.
Well, I will ask her a question because I am impatient and curious. Sulusa, what is going on between you and the prince?
Nothing go on. I does not do anything. What I do?
Firstly, it was Prince Ramon that was madly in love with you. Now is the prince of our kingdom. He even instructed the chief maid not to give you work too tedious for you, and you stand here to tell us there's nothing going on between both of you. Oh, please.
Nothing go on. Nothing go on. It is just Prince that is good man that take care of poor girl. Nothing go on.
Anyway, all of you listen and listen good. The prince is like a son to me. I watched him grow like this and I take care of him. And he is never one who worry about mess or even take them to sleep on his bed. But one thing I'm sure of, there is something going on between both of you. But my worry is this: the royal household and Mildred will never stand still to cheer you up.
What she's trying to say is, your love with the prince is love impossible. Impossible. It can never happen.
Big madam, I finish talk. I go chamber. I finish talk.
Go.
Go where? See her. Look at the way she's talking.
Shut your mouth. Go your places.
Daughter, who are you? Servant? Well, wife? Where? Servant clothes? Eh? Why?
We were told that your husband is the next king of this kingdom. And you are the next queen of this kingdom. Then why are you wearing servant clothes?
Tuza.
Why are you wearing servant clothes?
Wife, oh, sweep. Wife.
I hide.
Sweep.
You hide what?
Zuluza.
You hide what?
My in-laws. Please come with me. I can explain, okay?
Why are we going there?
No.
For the kingdom, Chulucha, blessed with the prince, as bold as a lion. Chulucha,
Who? Who made wife? Slave? Husband house? Who? Who?
Tuza, take your mother. Let her come down.
Tuza.
Sit.
Tuza.
Zulu.
Mother,
Sit.
Zulu. Tuza.
Did I hear you say husband? House? How? Where?
We are not confused in any way. I am the most educated person in my village, and I speak for them. Your son visited our village, and he took advantage of our daughter here. The punishment for such misdemeanor is death, or the offender will be forced to marry the person he had defiled. So in order not to die, he chose to marry our daughter. That was what happened.
What is going on? Elder. I know my son. The prince cannot do something dishonorable like that.
But he did.
He's a decent and noble young man. I believe there's a huge misunderstanding here. But still, your daughter lied to you all in order to trap a young stranger into marriage.
No, Queen. I does not lie. Yes. But also, they does not talk how the thing happened.
Okay?
Okay, I run away from house. I run. I go to where I will see roof. And it rains. So the prince also come to the roof because of rain. And we stay. Later, they come. They see two of us. They say that we do what man and woman does when they close door.
But did you do it?
We does not do anything.
So what are you people talking about?
And they brings knife, they brings gun, everything, and makes him to marry me.
What? They threaten my son's life? This will never hold. This is a charade, as far as I'm concerned, and it can never be. This is null and void. I am a king, and things like this doesn't happen before me.
You cannot reject what the gods have accepted and blessed. You are the king. No one is doubting it, but you are not the gods.
Listen to me. The king is a servant of the gods. Though they are invisible, but they command the affairs of mankind through kings. A king word is an order. He cannot genuflect the conscience of my son and force him to go through the lines of a tradition. As a king, I proceed over my son's marriage as an heir. It is a taboo for the prince of Saloa to have an royal marriage. Whatever that brought you here is already kissing the sound.
Excuse me? You threatened my son's life?
Mildred. Mildred. Are you okay?
Chief maid.
Your Majesty.
This idiot, henceforth, is no longer a maid in this palace. She is not even a guest. So she should not be allowed to go near any member of my family or any royal. She should be considered and regarded as an enemy to the royal house.
My queen, I will do as you ordered.
Saloa, you a poison who has corrupted everything around you. You have taken the peace of this royal house. Me as a queen, I've always known there is something evil, something cynical about you. Wicked idiot.
Queen, sorries. I does not know what happened to me. Now, I suffer forced marriage again.
Really? You were not the one that was threatened to kill. Yet you made your decision. You considered marrying my son a suffering. I will show you what suffering is all about. Thank the gods my husband has said, my son will not marry you, neither will you be the queen of this kingdom. Go get me her rickety bags. Those are my silly things. Let me send her out of this palace. So you are leaving now.
I go.
No, come and stay on my head. Get out from here.
Your Majesty, Mildred has woken up.
Are you serious?
Yes, she's in a very bad state of mind.
I'll go and see her.
But the physician says she will be fit.
I'll go and see her.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You son of good of the kingdom, you are resisting my orders.
You are the king of your community, and I am the leader of my own community. You are the king of your kingdom. But you cannot, and you don't have the right to pretend over my kingdom, which I am the leader.
You people threatened my son's life. I consider that Saloa saved my life with her orthodox medicine. But if you keep insisting on this marriage, I will fan for war.
Do you think we are afraid of war? We are not afraid of war. In our tradition, a girl marries only once. And once she is married with a spouse, no one separates it. Because we hold marriage as sacred. This marriage has been done between your son and our daughter. And nobody will separate it. Because the two bodies have come together to become one. And our tradition recognizes it to be so. You cannot separate it. I cannot separate it.
I will do that.
You cannot.
I will separate it. I do not acknowledge your gods. As a king, my son is bound by duty to marry whoever I want him to marry. How many warriors do you have? I am sure not as much as I have. At this point, I am forced to brag about the strength and powers of my warriors. I have kings from other kingdoms in alliance that are ready to release their warriors to fight for me if war is an option. Now I am asking you, is the life of that one girl worth the millions of lives that will be lost as a cause of this battle? I am asking you.
Hey, mind you, war is not fought in a sitting room. When the time comes, we shall know the stronger kingdom.
I am sure you do not understand what I am talking about.
I understand you very, very well. But I have made my point. War is not fought in a sitting room. When the time comes, we know the kingdom that is superior.
I am sure you don't understand what I mean.
I know exactly what I'm talking about.
What you, king, talk?
It is war, or we walk out of the marriage.
I does not want war. I does not want people die, war, killing because I marriage. Please, I leave everything.
Daughter, no marriage here, no marriage again.
I stay. No marriage here, no marriage again. I stay, only me till I die. No war.
My daughter, I thank you. I salute you for your selflessness. This kingdom has turned their back on a rare gem like you. One day they are going to regret all that they have done. Two of you should get ready. First thing tomorrow morning, we're out of here.
We go.
Yes.
Tomorrow, we go. Zunja.
My daughter.
I go. Tomorrow, I leave, I go. Very earliest, I go. I does not stay here again.
Where are you going when this is your home?
King refuse. King say no marriage. King scatter marriage. King say anybody try marriage, bring problem. What I stay for? I go.
Does my love mean anything to you? Huh? Do I mean anything to you? Why are you thinking about everyone else but me? Now let me tell you, a wife does not live without a husband.
You stay because future you become king. You cannot leave your people go. And you don't want this marriage. Why you beg? Why you beg I stay?
Because I'm in love with you.
Who is she? Who is she?
I think the gods blessed me the day I was forced to marry you. Shilsa, I cannot live without you. If you insist on going, I will go with you.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
So this is my take on this.
Your Majesties, I cannot believe you're letting her go. Is it that serious? Why can't she be my wife?
Because the tradition has been there for ages. We can't change it overnight.
It took a king to make that tradition. It will take another to change it. Father, I may be a king, but to rule, I was hoping you would be the king that would change that discriminatory tradition and allow love reign in your kingdom, irrespective of class and status.
Have you lost it? What has come over you, Michael? What do you mean I may be king? Are you considering abandon the throne?
That will depend on what His Majesty's decision will be. How do I say this to you? That Saloa can only be married once. She cannot marry another man and will live her entire life without a husband. She will be tortured, abused and mocked because of a tradition and law that forces a girl into marriage with a stranger just because she shared her roof unknowingly with him.
And why do you worry if she stays alone forever? If that is her fate, do you think you can fight it?
That cannot be her fate when she's married to me. Your Majesty, marriage is a thing of the heart and agreement. I agreed and exchanged vows with Saloa. The gods accepted. So why fight against it?
Did you hear that? He is threatening to abandon the throne of my fathers because I've refused to make change of the sacred cradle of Saloa Kingdom. What does this throne and the people of Saloa mean to you? I'm asking you.
If my well-being means anything to His Majesty, He will reconsider my request. Or I will leave everything and live as a common man with my wife.
Mike, you wouldn't dare. Look at my face. I am the tyrant that will come after you. Stupid.
Don't dare me, Mama.
If you say, listen to me, if you say any more word here, you'll be responsible for what will happen to
Father,
you.
I will give it all up for my wife. Majesty.
Excuse me, Mike? Is that you? I am going to take it hard with you.
I go. Now, I go find out. I cannot be the reason man treats another woman bad. I go.
This man standing here has made a decision. I am in love with you. And my throne is not complete without you.
So, do not push me thus far with this threat of foolishness. Return to your duty as a prince and the heir to the throne.
Your Majesty, kill me if you must. Because if my wife leaves, I leave. Only death can stop me. But if you know you're not going to kill me, then nothing can stop me.
Your Majesty, just let him be. Your Majesty, let the girl stay. You don't have to make her a queen. But let her stay.
Mother.
Can you calm down? So that we don't lose our son. He is not just our son. He is the heir apparent to the throne. Let go of your anger and pride. And consider this. A man who is in love is blind. He's deaf. And he's dumb. Right now, this man standing here is handicapped and physically challenged because of love. Let him. I beg you.
Well, the girl stays, but my stand on this marriage remains the same. I retire to my room.
Son, I worry for her. I worry for her.
Mother, there is nothing to worry about. I, a husband, is here to protect her. I promise you she's not going to work as a maid, and I will give her all the respect she deserves.
Son, I'm sorry the way we treated you. No man, especially not a future king, will accept our daughter. You have a good heart, and may the gods make you succeed.
Thank you. Mouthpiece of Budubu Kingdom. Love holds no grudges. I love your daughter so much. I will fight for her dignity and rights. I will make her queen and see to it that she rules beside me.
Sunusa suffered. Hey! She suffered. Oh! But now, the gods give her enjoyment. Make her enjoyment, please, eh? Kia. Kia.
Mother, there's nothing to worry about. I will take care of her. Here. This is for you. 500,000 naira and some jewelries.
Oh. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Your Majesty, I am sorry. I will not be wrong to punish the prince for rebelling against you before your subjects.
When you already looked scared and I saw tears gathering in your eyes, in a moment I had to melt down.
I fear for our son. He is our only child. How can we manage without a son at this our age? He is the heir apparent to the throne. Your Majesty, in your infinite wisdom, I know you. You put this kingdom, their interests first before every other thing. Thank you for restoring peace and order.
What are you thinking?
Your Majesty, I know, Your Majesty, your infinite wisdom, I know you want to break the royal engagement before the Council of Elders and Chiefs, so that we don't lose our son totally, so that he doesn't consider abandoning his position as the prince, as the next queen of this kingdom.
Even if I break the royal engagement and make our son a king needs a queen. Are you saying I should bless the maid?
Mildred, what are you doing here?
Your Highness? Nothing really, I just came to share a drink with you, my friend. Yes, you heard me. Just friends and not fiends, okay? Your Highness, listen. I know that you are in love with Saloa, right? And you see her as your wife already. Sincerely, I can't fight love. I can't fight your heart. Before I fight self, I would have lost. So, you know.
Wow. Well, I just want to say, you did not deserve what happened to you. I'm sorry I could not summon the courage to tell you. I kept you engaged knowing I cannot marry you.
Hey, come on, Your Highness. Don't be too hard on yourself. Why? See, we all are victims of circumstances, right? So we should not blame ourselves too much for anything. Life is not fair.
Wait, is this Mildred talking right now?
Of course. Is there somebody else here? It's Mildred.
I cannot believe you can be big-hearted like this.
I can be anything. Your Highness, please. It's nothing, sincerely. I can be anything, yeah. So, if you know that we can still be friends, let us share a drink together. Just friends, you know. Yes, so I'm going to just pop this wine right before you, and then we cheers too.
You really surprised me.
Ahaha! I'm full of surprises. I'm Mildred. Yeah. Stay here.
I hope the alcohol is not too much.
No, it's not at all.
I think you have to turn it the other way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You see? Okay. Go off. Stay here. Aha! 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 I feel I learned well from my dad. Ooh. Ooh. So it's off finally? Aha. Okay.
Thank you.
So I pour for myself too. That's it.
So what are we cheering to?
We're cheering to good friendship. Close friendship. In a cackles. Cheers.
Very tasty.
Love it?
It's nice.
I know what you like.
It's good, it's really good.
I know you love it. Your Highness?
It's very strong.
No, it's not alcohol.
It's
Is it okay? You sure? I can see you love it, Your Highness. You okay?
I don't know, I'm just kind of sleep.
Maybe you're tired, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Your Highness! Your Highness! What have you done? What have you done to me? You took advantage of me, right? What is going on here? What is that? I heard your voice. You were screaming. Your Majesty, the prince took advantage of me.
What?
What?
Mother.
Don't murder me. Just stop. Shut your mouth. You threw a fit of not wanting to marry Mildred. You had to sleep with her. Took advantage of her. That is an abomination. That is heinous.
So wait, you say we had sex?
No. You betted her. We made love, Your Highness.
We made love?
Yes,
Mother, I don't remember.
The very first time your father had sex with me, he didn't remember. Like father, like son. Like son, like father.
I don't remember what she's saying.
It's something. Your Highness, Your Majesty, he wasn't saying that he loves me so much and then that he has been under a spell of this wife.
What?
Tutunze.
Are you not angry? You're not angry seeing me in this compromising position with her?
I do something.
Okay.
Something for something.
Nothing for nothing.
You talk. I trust. I get you, T. Lie.
You be ashamed of yourself. They say lie.
Mother, I did not do anything, I promise you. Why are you doing this?
Doing what?
I thought you said you wanted us to be friends.
And then you took advantage of
You're evil.
How?
Mother, she's evil.
It is that
You're
between your legs.
Get out of my room.
Evil. We're users. You.
Get out.
Get out here. Stay where? Mildred, stay where?
Get out. Get out of my room.
Nonsense.
Get out.
I don't want to marry her yet. You enjoyed it.
I did not enjoy it. Mother, I did not do anything. I said get out.
It has come to my knowledge that you slept with Mildred last night. This has complicated the breaking of the royal engagement, as it were.
I don't remember anything about last night.
Really? But you did it?
Mother, the only thing I remember is Mildred here coming to my room and we had a friendly toast and accepting that I am in love with Saloa here. Anything after that, I don't remember. She's the only one that remembers.
But you did it. The bottom line is that you did something with her, right?
Son, let me tell you something. The storm that characterized our decision between you and Mildred died away last night. Our decision was only a tempest in the teapot. She came here a virgin. If we must send her back to her parents, she must go as a virgin. Simple. She told us that you slept with her last night. You have left me with no option than to ask you to marry her. That's my word.
Your Majesty, I cannot be punished for something I don't remember. Moreover, Mother, I am already married to Saloa here. I cannot marry Mildred.
Excuse me? Is a marriage with a maid consummated?
Yes. As we speak, I believe she has my baby inside of her. I took that drink from you because I trusted you.
I never knew you would take advantage of that trust and use my body for your deceitful and despicable act.
How could you? Your Highness? How? How can you just sign me up for 10 months and wake up one day to say you're done with the engagement? That is wickedness, Your Highness. Do you know how degrading that is? People now say that you're leaving me for a maid. Just a maid. I tend to walk around the kingdom, bearing my head in shame.
You acknowledged that we are both victims of circumstances. So why are you being vengeful?
Because we all are victims, but the other person tends to be happy. This victimization favors one person, while the other person is sad.
Tell the king to call off the wedding. I know you drugged me and took advantage of my body.
Your Highness, such accusations, grave one at that. Do you have proof?
I don't. But we cannot make things messier than it already is. Walk away, Mildred. And I hope you find happiness, because I have found mine.
Come on, Your Highness. My happiness is with you. Being your wife, ruling as the queen of this kingdom, is my happiness. And where can I find this happiness? This palace, of course. Brace up, Your Highness. I'm not going anywhere. You know why? Because this is home, Your Highness.
No one sees what I see. They don't know what she has in her. She's the girl of my dreams. Ooh, no matter what, I will make her mine. She's the girl I want. Make her mine.
Just because the prince is temporarily insane, thinking he's in love with you, does not give you the right to walk up to me in my lonely time to disturb me. Are you mad?
I thank God Prince talk. I does not ask question, I believe. Now I ask, why you do what you do? Because the drink, the tea you give Prince, I check, I test. Now I see you put one medicine we call mende. Mende you take, it kill you small inside, you take, it kill you small inside, you sleep, you die. We call sleep and die. Why you do? Why you do? Talks, why you do?
Is something wrong with you? Such grave accusations? How can you prove it?
I proves. Because I keep small. Yes, I seek up, you remain, I keep. I take to king and I open your anus.
Please, I'm quite sorry. Allow me to laugh a little. It's been a long time I actually had such a laugh. Are you serious right now? You want to go to the king? And do what? Talk gibberish? And do you think he's going to listen to you? I ask you, the sight of you disgusts the king already. So do you think he will just see you as someone trying to come discredit me for being the intending queen of this kingdom? So please, shoo, get up.
Okay, now you smart? Now you think you smart? I talks to King. King does not believe. You think you smart? No problem. I does not talk to King. But I won. I won. I won. Because I cannot know you like man, you want to marry man, you want to kill man. You kill man who you marry. You try put that again, I kill. You try, I kill. I does not need King. I kill you myself.
You look worrisome.
Your Majesty, you declared that the prince is to marry Mildred. When you and I know that he considers Lucy as his first wife, is he going to marry her again as regards to royal rights and traditions?
I do not know what to make of that, maid. But I'm hopeful that her grip over our son will lose at the end. For Mildred to share a bed with the prince, that's something we do not know.
Your Majesty, what if Mildred schemed her way into the prince's bed? Because the hate I saw on his face does not show a man that has feelings for a woman.
Are you saying that Mildred must have done something for us to make our son marry her?
Your Majesty, I don't have any proof. But my hunch tells me so. But what worries me the most is, are we going to have two queens in this palace? One that is approved by His Majesty the King, and one that is loved by His Highness the Prince.
There is only one true queen ruling beside the king.
Your Majesty, you are going to find answers and solutions to this problem before there is anarchy. Is that your prayer?
Father, I was told you were in a long meeting with the Council of Chiefs.
I was. It wasn't an easy road trying to convince them on the long-standing tradition on noble-to-noble marriage to be amended. But at the end, I succeeded.
I know His Majesty, in His infinite mercy, will be able to convince and persuade them.
I wouldn't say they were convinced and persuaded. I would say they pretended to be compromised. You know, it's dangerous to argue with a king who is in possession of the last word.
Thank you. Thank you for doing this for me. You have made me the happiest son alive.
So, we will proceed with a proper wedding.
Sure.
The one that does not involve coercion or threat between you and Saloa, but on one condition.
What condition, Father?
You will get married to Mildred. Keep her as your queen, ruling beside you for political purposes, and keep Saloa as your true love.
Father, you're asking me to do something you never did. Would you marry another woman beside Mother?
Why would I? I love your mother. She's all access in love. She understands the politics of the palace. Your love with Saloa is an embarrassment. She does not know how to speak. Neither does she understand the politics of the palace or its etiquette.
I will not accept this condition, Father. I will make Saloa fit for all purposes and make her my queen, and she will rule beside me. Your Majesty.
Your Highness, You look so thin. I know something bothers you. What is it?
You know me too well. I want you to tell me if my decision of a life partner or queen is wrong.
As someone who considers you her son, I am glad you decided to choose the path of love and happiness. I know too well that you can never marry to Mildred. And I'm happy you found love. Solusa is a selfless and purest heart. She has this selfless and purest heart. And I know she will become a very good queen someday. Yes.
Which is why I have come to you for this favor. Consider it a favor from a son to a mother, and not from a prince or a future king. Sulusa has to know everything about royal politics, royalty, and rules as a queen. It doesn't matter if she finds it rigorous, but push her. Kick her until she is considered fit for the position of a queen. Can you do your son this favor?
I cannot tell you no, my child. I will help you train her. Especially, I will make the whole world, everyone, to know that she is chosen by the gods, ruling by your side.
Thank you. But please, keep this between us.
Son, you don't have a problem, okay? It's a promise.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, son.
Your Majesties, isn't she beautiful?
She's gorgeous.
She's a beehive of beauty. Well, kings don't apologize. However, whatever I must have done to you in the past is coming from protecting our tradition and what the king thinks best. Thank you very much for loving our son and looking after his well-being. Since you came into the palace, we have experienced a lot of joy and happiness.
Thank you, King. I'd like to say that I appreciate everything, the acceptance, the love, your unconditional love, and your motherly care. Thank you so much.
Salosa, thank you for uncovering all the wicked herbs Mildred has been preparing. And thank you for calling the attention of the royal physician to it. Thank you for giving him the tea, the miracle tea that cleansed him from every side effect. Thank you so much. I am sorry for everything. Can I call you my daughter now?
You are my mother and my queen.
Did you observe? She now speaks well. What is surprise? What's going on?
He got me a tutor. I've been training for some months now on how to make a proper sentence. And I'm glad I have improved drastically in my spoken words. All thanks to my handsome husband.
Oh my goodness, she's so intelligent.
Oh, thank God they didn't give up on her.
No, no, I can't do that.
No, kneel down for my blessing. So,
The moment I've been waiting for.
it shall be well with you.
Ise.
As you are my successor, you shall have successors.
Ise.
You will prosper in all your endeavors.
Ise.
You will increase.
Kingdom blessed with riches.